The views and opinions expressed on this show by the hosts do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host and the channel. Also, we do not encourage you to try this at home. We are trained professionals who do not have your best interest at heart or our own. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana ethi po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me replay. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
hey,
Bom.
into kumele sikhulume iqiniso ngayo ngama-mic epraise and worship la. Vele ama-mic abantu awahlabelayo. Ageziswa nini?
Awatsh wena ama-contra.
Because i-saliva exchange engibone ngathi yenzakala lapha.
Liyawatsha. Lifaka isafu.
Spirit.
Ispirit siyabulala imimoyeni emiba. Guys,
Ngoba especially ungayekela kwalokho zabafana phela abaningi abaphefuma abathanda inkawuza. Uyayizwa imic isinuka so.
so nxa uhlabela normalize Listerine.
Mawuzathi ini?
But iproblem ukuthi kuya ukuthi uhlabela ngama uhlabele heritage Sabbath. Usungayitshaya Listerine. Nxa use Garden of House lapha.
Still Listerine because the
Hey
moment
man,
it nuka.
lokhu sehlu siyanathi actually Jameson. It alcohol content.
Samba lo kabele church last week. Tabe.
I think I've never seen someone enjoy church like that.
Bro, I feel like ukuthaba kwakhe kwaso.
Isemoyeni lana.
I feel like ukuthaba kwakhe kwaso kuhlangene le scoreline se-Manchester United. Ngathi ngimtshela ukuthi sokuyingayi. Wathula manga. Ebiche isukuma so.
Yacha praise and worship.
Yey.
Lapana kwaba mnandi because my expectations were very low, boys. Like
Church.
however low you thought my expectations were, they were lower than that.
They were lower.
Mina vele ngangizitshela ukuthi abazaba ngifika sikhuzwe ngokuthi kuhle kuthwele labo rasta ku crowd la.
Yeah.
Azafika zangiyenteka dog in the house of the Lord.
Umnandi sabathina.
Mnandi sabathina. But mina ukuthi andasho ukuthi tempo yenu ivele injalo regularly.
Ukuthi wawuhleli kachana ngalokho emfumi lokho ngikuqhoba ngithi. Kumnandi ichichi yaman.
Ngayenza njalo, ngalwenza njalo, ngalubuza.
Ani kumnandi ichichi yaman.
Abantu balihle ngalubuza.
I was even surprised with how many songs I knew as a I mean I go to my mom's side of the family really
SDA.
Yeah, well Pentecost thing.
That's where your beef is coming from, right?
Yeah, that's where the beef coming from, dog. It's a turf war. You know what I'm saying? But I mean I'm Paru. Speaking in tongues all day, son. Heaven Street, son.
But mele CSP ratatata.
Ratatata. So I was surprised how many songs I knew as a reality 7 and stuff. I really didn't think I knew that many songs.
Amnandi. But mina to some extent I understand that. Why am I some church elders I kwatile ukuthi into la niyenzakile lapha.
I didn't say the beef and
Abasebi.
Aye.
You know, we're well behaved.
Sosihlezi phansi njenga. Wena
Asenza suku
ngumuntu.
music one.
Mina liyakwazi ngeli visitor so ngambuyela ma.
Mina, I got a report because unfortunately I didn't come back in Mina. So in between church and my activities in Ntambama, ngahlangana labantu ababekhona church like earlier on. And I wanted to church exactly.
Okay.
I wanted to find out if this was true. Kuthiwa khona abantu bathaba kakhulu and bakhabi court bayocisha.
That's how the show ended.
How?
No,
That's
what
how
can you
the show
speak and do it?
Yep.
That's literally how
That's how the show ended.
That's literally how it ended.
Yalichinja.
No, but I tell her they didn't see that coming. Like, I mean, I haven't been to a concert in a while. But
Abantu
but
babala
labana ndoda
ngawala
onge
lapha.
u-expect lokuyana to be honest
I want to buy a stage impela.
ndoda bangena but
No, mina senga-understand why
Baqala
ibhawa
ukunyathela kakhulu.
impama ikhala
Impama,
ngifuna ukwenza amanyama.
Ah,
Because
labana-
uthi labana nje equipment leni yadure sound isinyatheli.
kamna vele ngangikhayela ama-screen lawana isi ama-screen lana ayajikijela kuthiwa uzophefoma kanje
Mina what I know is akula ama-screen ngakho maningi.
vele you either got them here
Yadota ama-screen la ese-church member ayichithekele yedwa master.
ive
But I know church was fire.
But besides that,
ikabantu
remember
babheka
earlier on, sasiport ulokhu zeni. Sasiport 3D.
Umdu.
Umdu sasiport.
You was there.
Umdu was part, yeah.
how kwaku-event kamdule
You was there.
Asithi kwaku-event yakhe, but why
Mina
why
wayilitshela-
wayilesandla
wayilitshela into eyifani
stakeholder?
senza lilistela into ezazifani that day futhi li-edumdum nakho zingahamba la ngabona ama-screen lawo ama-screen lawo yawajikijela ngesikhathi sikayangistani uzophefoma kanje ngathi ngingene emnyango banika ithegi leyani yebhawa leya emajidi esound izikipha zabo zazingane zibhalwe liquor supplies
Jabulizana nje
ngathi la
Laba
laba kulama-subtle vibes la
church wrong la.
sasitshaya nge-cycle psychology ukuthi hayi khumbula ukuthi sendaweni eyisiko
Relax.
But for the most part, and to answer like what you were saying, Uti, you kind of get why Abadala church work against that program.
Yeah.
I'm on the opposite side. I'm like, look, in as much as it ended in a bad way, I'm sure bakhona abantu abasuka bebusisekile khona pha.
can I also say
In a way that would have never happened if it was a regular church program.
Yeah, bro.
ukubusiseka sabusiseka but ukubusiseka u-heaven bound kumbe kubusiseka kuphela.
ukuchazela
Because lami esmoke singebe ngibusisekile. Awubusiseki wena esmoke.
wena njenganje ngiyangubona ususithi
Wena, wena.
so-smokes ngimbona
What khombela kajesu.
You wanted to say
uyabona
something.
ukuthi mina angingeni you know I don't know the church politics or dynamics of whatever's happening there but I heard some feedback yokuthi what was surprising the most about that event outside of effect yokuthi kuthiwa Kavi's big was the turnout ye-youth so maybe whatever's happening with your regular ongoings they are missing the mark with the youth.
Yeah, I feel like
Even ukubuyela e-church emini dog. Into leni igcwele kakhulu emini.
No, it was packed.
Ungahamba ema-church la ubhode emini vela
But of course, Labana, it might be an exception because clearly it was like a once-off concert. So maybe that's why people were that committed. But someone was saying, I kind of get a feeling, Guti, when the regular structures do other events, you never get a youth turnout that invested. Or that's what I heard. Once again, Mina, I don't have any of the stats. I just heard about to discuss.
yeah, it was nice.
It was really, really dope, dog. It was really, really dope. I might consider moving to
They were
SD.
killing it.
There was some nice
Kule
ladies
video
there.
yathi sithinzele play na.
Esikhathini samanje mangathi yabheka abafana abano
Professor.
bahlukile. That is why kunama gay. Igay umfana omuhle. Naye akasazazi ukuthi he's between woman and wife. Ngoba nama ke uyazibheka. Ngiyachama. Nabuthini mabambheka kunamantombazana amabi ayikabi.
Hey, Gabi.
Nami nje mkambe baningi mkambe ikota yasemzansi ngiyayidabula ngobenza. Angazi angiloye ukuthi ngiphuma amashuba aba ngokuthi ngiyamhlula ngokuhle.
So umfana omuhle.
Uzwikise kwenjani manje? Iqalisi.
Ngabe vele, oh sorry, that my mic was off. Sorry. You're saying that if he wasn't bewitched, ngabe vele amajita
What vele ni koti uyayidabula.
Uthi vele enjalo so vele ayayidabula.
Also vele amazi, I'm sure those of you watching.
Asayifaki
Siyaya-
know what it looks
siyabulala
like.
mina ngiyincane remember indlela ecabanga ngayo vele
osisi abaningi babi hayi kabi.
Hayi kabi. Ngikhuluma into enjalo qeda futhi hayi kabi.
But yeah, ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen.
boys and girls, welcome to another episode of the BYO podcast Ingxoxo 99.
That's episode 1.
Shwele and shit.
1, 2, 3.
Let's go episode 123.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
So mina in 30. 36 or 38. How about 36 or 38?
Angikwazi,
So in about 15 episodes, ngiyabe sende 100. I think was 30 party abafana. Eh?
Special party.
But I
Hey,
know, actually,
sorry,
ngifuna ukuthi if you're watching this on a Monday, namhla ibirthday kaRalph.
Oh!
So,
I didn't remember that shit.
angazi ukuthi kule hayi kuthi namhla asila soprano, but bese singayishayo happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yabo.
More life,
That's
dog.
the reason why
Eish, more life, yeah. more
ngilokhu
life.
izenini. Isoprano kaJane bezidinga. Happy birthday, dog.
So namhlanje siyadakwa phela.
Actually, kula ma-fans kaRalph kulokhu izenini.
Okay, don't say
Comment
fans,
section.
bro.
Yabo, lama fans kaRalph xa nimthumela imali.
Nah.
Asifuni asibhodi ukuthi sithi
No.
sithi birthday wishes cela nimthumela imali. Yabo.
Come on, dog.
Lekele kuzenza.
Limnikele keke.
Fanini biscuits, guys.
Amanuthi aqala nje ngabani?
Ama-nuclear. Siyathatha ama-nuclear.
Tatana nuclear lihamsi admin, but filter out because I won't be receiving
Yeah.
dirty nuclears.
Ethi Jabu etiquette cheeky.
Yeah,
Now I was
man.
too rasta ngale. Fix your bush.
Yeah, sebesibonga
I'm
ukuthi
playing.
mlenze lo.
Nah.
Mlenze lo.
More life.
But otherwise, actually, bemfuna ukulibuza something siyaqalisa i-podcast vele singakenzi intro. Sisezulu Fashion House, by the way. Bemfuna ukubuza ukuthi like kuma date eselahambayo iphi imali enkulu osowayikhipha la.
You once asked the opposite end of the question.
Right?
Eh,
Yeah, there's something.
The cheapest one. Ngoba nokhuluma
Yeah.
in-RZ building.
We once talked about cheapest ones.
Hey,
So
why?
let's talk
Wait,
about-
but nokhuluma in-RZ
Nah,
building.
that one was actually a nasty thing, dog.
Ikube.
Now she'll end up thinking I'm always thinking about it, dog.
My bad, bro. My bad, bro.
Hey,
But
hey, fuck
expensive.
you, man.
My bad, bro.
Like expensive. Hey, mali.
Mina
Date, just one date.
kule inyaba expensive in terms of into engaziriskayo. Inyaba expensive in terms of into engaziriskayo. ngoba-
What opportunity cost?
It was not even about the money I spent alone was a lot. But I was outside of the country, my passport was expiring. I feel ngarisk into eziningi. Wagcina kuthiwa phela into eziningi futhi.
Ngedate.
anyone.
Ngokuyimalini?
Hayi imali is not even there. Imali is not
No,
even
but isibuza imali la.
Hayi imali.
No, even like you
Right.
guys might don't know.
Eh?
Nalama, yeah. Nangitshela range.
I-range.
And it not sticks within it. It's not expensive.
Hayi.
not-
Mina
it's not-
konke imali wasn't that. Imali engakhalisi. It's what I risked doing that.
Mina kulena I think i-problem engayenzayo ukuthi ngahlanganisa le group. So
So
the
it
bill
cost
ended
them
up
20.
becoming too much.
Oh,
dog.
yeah.
It was too much.
Suhlanganisa ama-expense. That's 100.
I'm 100 ambalo, dog. But I'm sure that thing would have approached.
'Cause
the
enye
bench,
konke
but I don't want
costly.
to sound like a Skotani on the show. but-
enye konke uba costly ipoint yokuthi uqiniswe
No, mina bemfuna ukuziduduza ikomboze.
uhambe njani mfana usitshele
Hayi, like bengicabanga enye engayingaba layo.
hayi mina konsider kwemali mina it's always what happened
But
because
uRalph ngomboze sithi couple of hundreds. I was like, oh.
No, anya kuthethi kwahlangana lokuthi sa group. Maybe ngasa kuphelele kudleni kuphela maybe.
Mina ngicaphanga vele le 100.
cause okunye suka lapho uyebook indawo yokulala futhi kwathi usuqeda lapho uyebook i-room le 80 to 100 mari hayi vele
Uzagcina ukhuluma kakhulu thula. Thula
Sera mwenzi kasi kusebenza masinyane kushona.
Thula. But mina vele angikhulumeli mina imali engabe ngayikhipha imali engibala from ukuthela ifuel ensuku endlini lokuhlangana lo yonke into vele like yabo. So bendo ke ngifila bhedu ngempana ngaspend imali eningi but hayi
Nah, tell us.
yeah
I'm not even
just
voicing
below 100
Just below 100, okay.
just below 100
Another thing about
round
me,
of to
guys,
the
I'm
nearest.
not a data of note, bro. Nabantu abaningi, even ngezikhathi zami
ebabhebha kuphela
not even that.
Shama.
Like we meet a groove.
A freelancer.
Yeah, well, that's aye.
But who right to
Yeah, that, to me that's
The
like
freelance.
that's my version of a date.
Yeah.
Nah, what do you wanna achieve? And I wanna have a nice time. No, see, assignment amachita.
But it's more these days vela akusaphuma vele ukuphuma endlini sokuyimali vele.
Yeah, yeah.
Ufana lo muntu sokuyimali.
dude.
I was telling someone that the minute you break $100 note, easy pay.
Forget it.
Kuchile
Ah.
membe yami. Kuchile.
Kuchile.
Antina
man,
solo
yeah.
sosida wana abafaka $100 like kuma covers.
But ngicanga ukubuza.
phone.
Anise won't imali yaphuma vele these days yabo. Imali ya like ikupho kunye singakwenza ungala mali phakathi.
Uyazi kwini ukuphuma uthandana nje amachita lokhu yena ngani kuhlala ku cost effective.
But kuyaphuma imali.
Hayi but madoda singafaka abafazi phaka anyway.
Hayi
don't
nto
even
le
think it's that, bro.
nje even umgcine nje ngathi mgcina besodlala FIFA so kumele sikhiphe imali efiwe.
Khana manje senzife.
So vele I think ukuba sefonini yakho but like usiyathenga idatha. Like, there's nothing for mahala.
Ubukelele porno.
There's nothing for free.
I'm not talking mina nami life ile yangikwazi sifuna.
Even when you think you're not spending money, you probably spend money in advance.
Oh,
You just don't, you
emakhaya.
don't see it.
Emakhaya.
No, ejele.
Huh?
Actually, yeah, that's
I'm
the
a
most
big-
cost
that's
For
effective.
actually
piggy for
facts,
me,
though.
for piggy for
I think
my.
3 square meals in a day.
Ngithi mina
Free gym.
I know about 1 meal though.
ukuhlangana labo sis. Yabo.
Ah,
Opposite.
I forget.
Gender.
I forget.
Yabo.
I forget.
Ukuthi khona yini
But
into
they're not all like
ongayenza
that.
engala mali phakathi.
I'll be the one to take that.
Heritage Sabbath.
Eh.
It isn't just.
But la kuyabhadalika
Ubhadala imali
imali.
lanje nje uzomthengela.
Hlangane
Ah,
ne-church.
but
But
compare
compare to like
Ukugibela
alternative
right?
activities.
Kumbe
bro. Imali encane.
Imali
Now, I genuinely believe that it's you who then choose the activity that you're doing. Akhumba khono SK kathesile ile lokhuze ne promotion. $2.
Khali esikhewa nganhleli le promotion. Akuhamba njani?
It's not looking
Two
good, bro.
Awusibize thina.
Two past.
Asamenze junior kwa podcast
Yes.
bisa abantu.
Now they approach because we can actually do it.
Ilokuze nini i-SK mnandi mawusiyaganga man.
Mdala man wena. Usimdala.
Lapho sikhuluma ngemovie house lana yakudala lana.
Hayi yona leyo.
So not like
Alizange limethe lina current.
Hayi.
Haya wafethu.
Me, the most I ever did years ago was making out with a chick there.
Hayi mina movie ngiyabe sisuke embukelile vele nje.
So wena uyabusenzani ngayo?
Yabuka siyaphila njani?
Ni movie vele.
Bomgcine
movie.
isiphekela ama blue balls
Mina
ngala.
movie vele ngisuke vele
Ukuthi movie
embukele.
yabukela ngo-10 esikhe. Idate yona ngo-12.
Senze sisi ngiyabe singicaba.
Wena nxa uroy phambili usona ngathi wayemovie lelo kithi.
But guys,
What
do
the-
people
what's
actually
all that
back
movement
there?
back
Maybe it's
there?
just
I do bra.
Mina
just
back in
foreplay.
the day but I think foreplay because
Kuluma dude. Hey.
I'm not, yeah.
I think it's just
Man,
foreplay,
for
bro.
2007 early 2008 waqeda kuphuma u300 Mr Bean Holiday. Mina yakutshela u300 kathi movie lana 80% of i-dialogue ngiyacha ngekhanda.
Ohlala siyabukela.
Awuli base le.
Also in Daoliana, that if people that remember that movie house before it became SK, that place was dark, bro.
It was.
It was very, very
So
dark.
I don't know now.
Katesi, it's now a
Back
bit
then-
more
back then
illuminated.
it felt
but
like
still
you
you
die
can
inside
operate.
it.
So the mood lighting.
Nah.
Yeah, sort of.
I'm telling you
Yeah.
guys, you can operate something.
No, it's possible. I'm not even in
But it's more win isitulo lezana man.
Umgcine uyakwazi to esenzani.
Hayikhona wayese ube senza. Hayikhona
Hayi
wayese.
ugcine SK me.
Ube
Sangile
senza.
skadi. That's why when benzidi zabuza uvuti kade so emalini.
Yeah, so I'm saying like this for an example, this is what you can do. Movies are 2-pack season on certain days. So it means that when lo muntu wakho you spend 4-pack season, amaputi laphana as low as another 2 packs. If you wanna,
Sebayihliza ama price awazi.
like I said,
Thetha
bro,
ngangena lapha kuwakanda ndoda nge-20 bucks ngapha
Vele like bengikwazi
What's
ukuthi
that?
mangihamba lo muntu.
if it's not a premiere, exactly. Anilele ngama-celebrity,
Oralph
like,
athanda izinto, andivele mina bengikwazi.
izinto zithanda uba nje.
Hayi shut up.
So anyway,
Yeah.
one hour on 6 packs. Let's say you wanna share amaputi akhona.
Ngase yashiya vele.
Share amaputi.
Nangalandaba lamaputi.
Yeah,
vele.
one. And then now you've got
Is convinced
Awufana
inkazana
loyo.
yafuna uhamba la esinema yethu
you can get refreshments for like 3 packs.
Blande.
That's $9 on a date.
That's a steal, dog. $9.
$9
That's
on a
steal.
wholesome date.
That's a
Whereas if
steal,
you go
bro.
to smokehouse, whatever, bro, half the time people are looking at your honey. You're trying to fight off ghosts. Like,
sebethuzishisha
alikhulumi lokho.
Loluyana 10 past.
Half the time there's some home feels that guy keeps going, yeah, umbhemi.
Ubunyama kuphela movie house enough.
awumgciniyazi umgcina ingozi
Jake. Mankazana liyamuza uzini.
Ubunyama vele angafuni ukiphi manje.
mina kahle kahle ince ngikhuluma so ngoba ngagcina kudala maybe mana ngihambe ngiye check i-cost
Mina ngagcina last year.
uthola ukuthi uloku ubhadalile oje $30 la ngene SK nge-Tuesday ngo-12 ngene SK nge-Tuesday ngo-12
Angizama ngaluvu yesithi impondo. Like
But then even abantu abathanda umdavi Dwand, there's even cheaper options for you guys. I'm not sure how much or Harris and them
we
are,
read.
but I know like even within a 10 pack
you can get it
budget.
So available Harry's, they let niggas shut down in their faces.
I met to tears myself from.
oh my god
Ralph, we're trying to help people here.
Yes, man, they can go shut down there, dog. Like, come
Actually,
on.
this is marketing, eh?
Yeah, this is actually market. Maybe
Yeah.
it's
mina into ehlala ingani yang-upseta ngendawo zenzana because uyathola ezinye indawo kuya kuthiwa 10 mari or 5 mari quick in quick out iproblem ngendawo enjalo ukuthi incengo wes-4 that day
You might find Come on the wall.
no.
no
But now I'm playing.
This is not my thing, and
no
it's not a backdoor shady deal like people thought
I
it was
know.
the entire time.
Hey.
This is an establishment
that
And
is
that
2-3 hour options
That has got those options.
Exactly.
You can nxa ukuthi hayi ngumhambi udiniwe.
uphumula ibhasi yakhe isuka ngo-4
Yabona.
wena ufike lapha ngo-1
nge$10.
Exactly.
manje
So
yikho
manje
ngikho-
ungahlangana nomuntu omaziyo uhamba njani?
Hayi
Yeah,
ungahlangana
khahlelana
nomuntu omaziyo emagrosari lenza.
Yabo.
Ngibeli ngahlala
Amagrocer,
nomuntu omaziyo ku-dentist. Then
Amagrocer.
uzokhipha amazinyo.
Emagrocery landi kuyabhebhana.
into enhle ukuthi nxa lihlangana laphana lo
Ungafuni
yi-2 i-shamini i-equivalent
Emagrocery service yathenga isinkwa. Lapha
There's
leyo sekhiphana
always-
izigqoko.
There's
Amagrocer bathenga amakhondomu.
Untshonsi akula okuyilokhu lokuyani.
Mgcini wena manje. Ungahamba namuhla uhlangane lo mfundisi wakho. Yena ngoyefila ishame eningi kulawe. So wena ungabele ndawo.
Ngavele ngihle ngiqhobe umuntu engihamba la.
hayi mina ngikhulumise mfundisi awubhadalele
Webo, ikhe ngisho ukuthi ishame yakho yilama dynamic. And then
Ya trick kamfundisi.
then wena ngelinye ilanga la uzochayisa le imember ekuhloniphayo vele wabona angafuni icaba ngento yenza
Ngingachayisana nomfundisi.
Wenzani?
Ajayisana lo mfundisi ngahle ngipostpone.
fast
Ngithi hayi mara
naba nenza litshele isistory
ngisasamoye.
Nami le story zomunye umfundisi.
layout yami entshona la liyanu
Hey,
andalitshela ipi yakhona i-out yami entshona lala so yona yenza into ze-release date yabo so kulamanye ama-building akade he was part of i-transitional process yokuchange i-ownership or whatever wasetholela umuntu wakho like uyakwanisa ukuthi nxa uthenga indawo uhle ukuthi indoda phela uhle ungidingela ama-tenant or uhle ungimanagele indawo nale so 1 or 2 of those places then turned into these kinds of places
ye-B&B type of.
thina besokuhamba laphana siya collect ama-rent angamtshela ungasahambi lami ndoda ngasahambi lami ngizampendisa ethawulini yathele zibuya lapha but yona ebingakucabangi because yona izochaya ispagethi
Hey ndoda.
so yabi singena sifike sipake sibile emnyango singene
Abhadila
and imoto
ngokubuza.
yakho vele yafika ibanga. Kule imoto engayibona nami.
so mina
Abhadila into isivele boleka imoto amahamba. Sike sishaya kuyiswap.
So asabonekana
this is one
imoto
guy.
yakho. Umuntu yaboleka imoto
Athi
yami ehambile kuzinini.
Yeah.
Hey, shut her down no. No exchange of
Ivuyela isitori
cars.
sakho sithini?
Hayi omunye umfundisi azozikhuluma ibizo lakhe.
Avela kwenza.
Akenzi vele. Anyway, this dude and like yena he's a young cat, right? And uloku thanda ukuhamba. Ucatshangela ukuthi uthanda ukuhamba.
Ngithanda ukufewa.
Hayi, people think, I'm not going to assume.
Okay.
But people think ukuthi remember le vele thanda into zama strip club le power land.
It's a fabbing season.
So I think ilokhu zena ama accusations they came to his ears ngelinye ilanga echume that ngizotha abantu bathi babona imoto yami iphakela phana bathi yimi hayi ngilo I'll just say umza wami ngilomza wami engimbolekayo imoto so la belibone but wazama ukufaka endlela engcwele
hayi wazi ngobona usukuphoyinti nalento sokukhuluma njalo
into
Yeah,
it.
obviously story lezing is filter kakhulu.
But
Left
anyways,
out.
guys,
uzositshela lokhu
ama
izini.
cheap dates you can actually
There's so many, bro.
yeah into lena ukuthi utholakale banging on the streets like
wena
just
wahambe
go there,
etown
bro.
lapha oh khona ba
Ngaphi?
elalibouncer khona
I'm bouncing. Oh yeah. Was it Playville?
Sazi
Yeah.
abamarketheli oswine
vele
bengabhadali.
students.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Already vele siqale nge-SK yama vele.
Zayi
So we
uHarry's-
promo vele already. It's a promo show.
Yeah.
Ikota
Yeah.
bazasikota one day.
Yeah.
This is
So,
the
so I was
quotation.
saying went there, and the funniest thing is, Lapana, you pay about $7, right?
Yeah.
And Lapana bakunika lama socks, like, because you
Amazux lana uyavala.
have
Ngavalo JP lam.
that can't be your first question
Mina look at loud.
Madoda kube eZimbabwe. Oh, aswi.
Bebathengile anyway.
Aswi.
but remember
So the
mina
funniest thing is-
mina ubuye late umbuzo lo ndoda
Parlaula what?
hayi but mina uletha still
So I was saying, Konapana, you're given an hour. Do you know your hour, you barely make it to 1 hour. Like,
Get tired.
Yeah, you get tired really, really quickly.
Ngavale ngo-JB ngo-December. It was really fun.
mina
And I think was
isimokazi,
Blutica
into le-
sikubiza.
Okulanda ba. Ngize SK. Nanze ubukela movie James. Amajidelo kembiza. Amajidelo kembiza. Jumping castle. Movie mina.
Wait, I wanted to be jumping inside.
Yeah.
you wanted to jump in some
But anyways, on a lighter note, like for the first time in Zim, I can say I'm proud of my president. Reason
let's
being-
hear where this goes
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Lizilo ukuthi Starlink isivunyelwe eZimbabwe. Official.
once we start breaking it down you become less and less proud again
Nah.
But
yes.
anyway, okay, let's start. Let's just unpack the positive things of it. You could say Africa, ama-country aseyilokuzila balwa ngezandla. I think they're less than 10.
really
Yeah.
Oh, I
But
didn't know- I
even
didn't-
SA inja ila Starlink kayivunyelwe.
Now when I before
But of
vele
course,
si-
in SA you can get it. No one like.
ozakulandelela
Yeah. No, but officially,
plus
we are
futhi
one of the
SA
early
ama
adopters.
ama-local providers
providers angikhona like they are top notch, bro. All I'm saying is sebeyivulile sokushap. Laba abanye ade bedurisa idatha laba. Ama prices abo sezaba.
lapho yabo mina that's the
Desire.
one positive I
Mina vele yodwa
it will create a competitive market
Yodwa
But
ngiyikhangele
now,
yodwa.
Zol,
kulama cost of
ngisazo-cheaper.
switching, guys. The kit is expensive. Not everyone is gonna be able
No,
to
but
pay
I feel like
the
kuzafika
650 or
point
700.
yokuthi
don't worry, the market will adjust dog
usakhumbula ukuthi iline dala ethengwa inkomo isim card.
Yeah. Abantu balama 772 uma 40 nje ufona ngenkomo.
Abantu abalobo 0772.
Bafona nge-livestock.
What's 09 why?
i-daily
Ufuna
pussy
inkomo.
ufuna ngenkomo
Ufuna ngenkomo ndoda bathenga.
But again, looking at our economy, it's very cash liquid. Yeah, bo. So we might say that our kids are gonna expensive, but if you know that the work that you do or the studying that
Imali
you do
yakhona
requires you to have a stable and constant internet connection, and see just so abantu balama iPhone nje. Ama iPhones baneban. I had to run my iPhone, but they were like, you know what, I need this phone. And now they have it. I actually know a lot of people, and the number, I know people that have like a lot of people that have Starlink kits in their houses. But again, the point that I want to make is actually not on the Starlink itself, but amanyama service providers. For example, do you know in other countries, Starlink, even the people that have adopted it, they don't even rate it that much.
Yeah,
It's not that fast.
okay
It's just konokani ukuthi khona kuphela and it's a satellite dish, you know, it's a bit stable, but it's not that
Gibo
fast.
normal, bro.
Yabona. So imagine if Econet took that 5G seriously.
and we
wouldn't
gave us
need
something
bruh, we wouldn't even need to look at
I feel like
Starlink.
badle kakhulu izimali zabantu, bro.
Yeah.
Now it's time for them to pay for it.
Ungananzelela abantu vele imali
Yeah.
zethu zonke.
mina vele ngaziduri Starlink ngiyakiyo mina sengifike ngiye ngale ngibabalekile yami imali ngayingaka u-Elon ngayithatha imali yami
Athathe
hayi
yonke.
but futhi uzayithothi siya
But right, ayithathe
Ah, no,
ayihambise
but labana-
ku-X. I-X ngali ilethi content ezwi. It's fine.
Let you
Hayi
put it.
ngoba, hayi.
But anyway,
Yeah. Another thing about it, and why I was like, you know what, I wouldn't be quick to celebrate the introduction of Starlink officially in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, true.
Is the channels that you must use to get it. For example, yes, now when like if you've got family or friends in the UK, they can get you a Starlink kit for £300. Lapa, like entry level Starlink kit starts at $600.
ngizwile omnye umuntu isiyo njalo ngathi udali wena
Hayi
ulapha
vele manje yona
Ayedlula
le
lapha, even
ngithi play
1,000.
yakhona. I figure there's a time when this thing was adi dlula actually kumo 1K.
so i-Starlink kit isi-iPhone entsha so basically sabe sebhawa lama dish sitshengisa ama-hose ukuthi
Yeah, no, I got.
got a little-
Sebe-VIP sithola ama-Starlink.
got a little Starlink money baby.
But President Uti, in this vein, I'm pleased to announce that I have approved
This is the 123rd and final episode.
final episode.
of
the licensing of Starlink by Putras to provide advanced internet and related digital
Thula
processing
lama actions akhona. Every
services in Zimbabwe through its sole and executive local partner, IMC
Ibiza chibili kumelo chiwe ngambi cha.
Communications Private Limited.
Kanje IMC sokamira kuti. I remember
iyaconfirm imfomfo
aleni ambulance.
So ngizabantu besithi umuntu othola ithenda wathi alleged yabo.
there's always
Mina umbuzo wami
Ngikho.
mina umbuzo wami ukuthi ubenefita njani, like what's the
uyabe
code?
usungumidlimeni ediri ngombani usunguyibhayibridge border
ozaba yi-distributor and mbone kulo munye umuntu ovule like ama-nitty gritty zakhona kuthiwa vele batargeta
ama-big companies
ama-parastaters
ama-parastaters
amakhampani lana so yena ngoyeza bewawoda esebathengisela ngeprice enayifunayo.
Or like
So now-
ama kids.
Exactly. But the thing is, do you know that even be that as it may, you can still get your kit on your own.
Yeah.
Using whatever backdoor you were using the entire time for the past year or 2 years, man. Yeah, one. Like it's not like was that all right? Ikitle I supply ngolokho and so let's cut it off. Yeah, one. But the funny thing is that there's I feel like there's a lot about this that we don't know because Starlink, the way it's
what I'm
created, is about like free information. That's what Elon Musk as a person stands for. Yeah, one.
ukuthi suka lapha
Yeah,
straight
bona.
to him
Like they avoid don't middleman line yabona. So kukhona okuningi about ilokho zenhle ezingayazi.
Kuthiwa batargeta vele amakhampani azangibona kule khampani lena yake yathola ithenda ile government elake lalika lena eyithengela ama-government ama-laptop A1 I think a-price like at $900 or something like that. So I think I don't want to say, but I think it's going to be those kind of deals. Ukuthi kuyathiwa eParliament mbe eZimbabwe silama-quota ayi-100 so negijima esithengela ama-Starlink la ayi-100 then
A1
nasengithi mina
10,000.
A1 ngiyifuna nge-5,000 lithi aswi wena ndivele njani singabangani hambethi
But at the end of the day,
You know like how
So police
Batargeta imali yakhona from
station,
everyone.
for another example
Abas-
is like or MP ukuthi bathole izimoto land. They can then say that no part of your package as a member of parliament is that you also get like a Starlink kit. Ngoba uyakhuluma njani nama constituents akho. Exactly. And that money came from somewhere, Bella, remember?
Come, yeah.
but
Ah,
ukuthi
kodwa yonke imali kathi imali kabanyekile
Hayi, lokho vela khuluma
hayi but la yona le
indlela mengisho ukuthi lokhu bra
hey yona le liqamba imali kabani kodwa ngikabani
Yeah.
no but engikutsho ukuthi vele lokhu kudala kusenzakala.
iprime ukuthi vele sebalenza la believe teni imali ngesesikhwameni zenu because okwenzakala akona da as long as yami 120 lokhu 120
120 lava then is
anyway it is what it is
Ngila i5 popo ya.
aluta continue abafethu
la parano mina into engithabeleyo vele ngento le singakabali konke khona ke siqeda u dissect la i-data is cheaper bro and my data is cheaper. Abantu abasela excuse ukuthi why bangasibukeli.
it's true I'm also gonna say in my pan-Africanism and in my fight for whatever sense of equality we can get, I still am a man, and sometimes when things is too complex, I boil it down to as long as it's going to benefit, which is actually a mentality we need less of. But every now and then, as long as I have the internet.
Yeah, patriotic ukuze kube
I
nini.
just wanted
but
to clarify
then,
something.
you know?
Yona i-Starlink yangikhona wonke ama-packages, they're unlimited, right? You just pay for the speed, right?
Yeah, just pay for the speed.
kufana nale afri tay afri wathi lese hey asayizama
All right, so
I'm
the
very
thing about Starlink, right?
Yeah.
And just to add on to your point, Starlink is even if it's $600. So I had to write at the beginning, but imagine like if you're a person that was spending almost $200 or $300 on internet from a local service provider the entire time.
Per
My
month.
guy, now you're going from that to $35 a month for unlimited, stable internet that you can count on at all times.
Ubani lona ngo-10 mega, 35 ngo-10 megabytes per second, huh?
Yeah, no, but I
Then
don't
45, I think
yeah,
it goes to 100, right?
Yeah, but I don't
Yeah,
even think it's about
45. Cabanga speed zone lezo, bro.
Because
Yeah.
mina kule company, I won't mention the name. Izo.
under no pressure
Hang on, Kanye, I won't mention the race, but the doctor. So yeah, I mean, I was okay. I think it's around $50 or more because sometimes you pay, then you have to top it up.
And then we pay la, bro.
So
ngiyekhanuka internet engapheliyo internet othi ifoni yakho awuyistop ku-updata yazi ama-valve onke avulekile ujume ki-Netflix
You know, once
player.
upon a time, he couldn't did that for us.
eZimbabwe mfana ungajumeki Netflix player.
Uvuka uchucha
Uvuka sekule message beta. Tshela
mina njengabe ngiba le-stress mavuka ekuseni ngibona ni-interface yami isitshintshile ukuthi maye baba ube ku-updata lokhu kuyisho kulele kudwebe i-internet
Xa uvakatshe emzini watshintsha ama-password eZimbabwe ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi vele nxa kubuya wena.
Ishomi zethu la esasitshona sizivakatsha zagcina zitshintshile.
naye sawa lokubuza
Uyabuza njani?
Bazwa-upload podcast.
Hey, ngiyafana
Ngiyobala
podcast yenye.
like maybe ke
Makufarisa manje.
like maybe ke kukodube nje ubona udube kaza iWi-Fi la ibhale dube connect ayisaphumi.
Ayisaphumi.
So kuphume
Eka
enye
Mthembu.
ibhale esinye isibomo. Mthembu uyacabangela.
zebra 02
Zebra
Lapha siyamncanywa la.
because lakho futhi uyabuza uthini.
maye mina jeki hayi mina makusethi hayi anyway it's fine
But nami ngilezi membe ngizicavayo zale ngqondo ezimbi zokuthi nje i-password ye-Wi-Fi.
hayi no kongathi ngqondo ezimbi
Ngqondo ezimbi.
mina next door ngikhazi ke senza i-damage lapha next door ngikhazi ke senza i-damage labo ngivuka nje one day sonke sesingasekho ngabona ukuthi we did enough.
Kuchile member ya.
Ayiziphelile. Uyabuza ukuthi i-Wi-Fi iqedwe yini.
Lebele lo church elder umfundisi next door angini then utshone bona i-internet yakiphela ebese fonele zola abashawud.
Uthini?
Then abezolo bese besithi but mfundisi wena every time ngo2 ekseni uyangena ku-wetbuds.com.
Mina ngotrapa.
Uyakudinga. So
Yeah,
kuba le conflict.
conflict. Aribanga iputazi. Mdala phela uyacava ukuthi ama-website elwangenayo ngiya-check la efonini ngiyibona ngani i-worried.
umuntu angaqoyizi umuntu esithi
Yazi so uyabona konke.
uthi halabo incognito abasebenzi mthala
And vele i-private browsing yi-scam bana ngoba
mina I think i-private ngiyekuthi wena ungaziyangisi uvula ifoni yakho ebantwini kuphela itshengisa
Parano le enye into futhi esizaba sharp sesiya first time yabo like wena ukhala ukuthi abantu be-diaspora bakufonela too much. Keresi i-data my ase-sharp ama-prices. Enkinto ebisi-sharp.
once again mina I'd really be happy if we can even get into ye-Starlink le ngaba lesi Econet phakathi sicine sesilama sim card la
Portable, yeah.
sesihlala sila efonini
Hey.
ngoba mina iproblem ukuthi angitshoni endlini mina endlini ngina ngilale ngiphume ngihambe
Boom.
so having the internet at the house is fine but sokugcina kundiscourage ukuthenga anyway that's just my problem but it's about dope much enqazo lesemafonini sesihlala sesi
Awakho vela
Babona
ama-sim card.
besithi they're actually working on something because there are satellite capable phones right now. I think the latest iPhones and even lama Samsung la has the capability
My
of
problem-
communicate lama satellite. So Starlink was actually looking into tapping into that thing. Ukuthi ungabhadala ifoni yankibi satellite internet.
nxa kusayi-first gen swana
It's
besakuzama
going to be bad, yeah.
asazodubuka amafoni sazawafaka emafrijini
Even like signal yakhona is going to be
isazaba
trash,
trash size sikubambe ku-fifth gen and not only that Elon Musk ugangile zakuthiwa ichip yakhona ayibambi kuhle la yazifuna into ele-organic matter crensha kumele uyifake ekhanda hlume khonapho
Plus vele wena le information yabantu i-database
baza sifake emakhanda lokhu kanje ukutshela bakudrila endlebeni bekuthi pha
Neuralink aniveva funa ukudrilla.
Aya.
Jesus.
But Neuralink blind check namdrilla okuli cheap ubuzibukele liporridge uyi-imagine.
Aya. Hayi Ralph.
Ngiyalitshela guys. Think
Mina-
about it.
Kulala abantu
Abantu
abedlala
open-minded.
FIFA. Ukhona ayidlala uFIFA ngeke.
Nge-Neuralink.
Ngilokuthi
Lina
ukhona ayidlala igame zibili ngeke.
lenzana kaze limbukele u-Black Mirror le. Sayamukela Black Mirror la? Oh, okay.
Ha, sesishita la.
Hayi, hamane bukele Black Mirror.
All right,
Kanti guys move lela ethi last episode ngayikhohlwa.
Salt Burn. Mele siyibukele.
Somebody
Salt Burn.
Mele
Okay,
siyibukele.
ku-Netflix.
Sibukele nini? Mele siyibukele
doubt
nsonke
it.
Singene
mhlawumbe.
sonke.
I was
niggas.
host it.
Yeah, I can
Hey.
host you niggas. Pull up. Then
Sithi nini? Kusasa.
yeah, kusasa. Nxa singehle uhamba
Uvuyo
usho le
no,
noma
no,
photo
no.
afuna usingenisa.
Mina ekseni mele ngiyenza something.
Oh, weekend. Like Sunday.
Phela kusasa kumele ngiyenzi. Kumele ngi-MC
How?
Africa Day celebration kwenye primary school.
How?
Yeah, kwani senza this
Master of ceremony adisacho.
Hello banana. Do you know the president of Congo? Yabeka swagani.
Umuntu omdala babe sitsho wena.
Yabeka swagani.
Umadimba.
Yabeka yimi kusasa.
You.
Ngayi umuntu omdala kusasa.
Speaking of Africa Day, angazi by the time episode le iphuma ama election. Egola beziphelile. South Africa ANC yabisibuyelile. Kupower.
Yeah, oh no, obvious.
Obvious ne?
Obvious.
Ubra Julius.
Eish.
Ubra Julius alimthandi.
Twitter is not real life, guys. I've seen people even here ele show a trend number 1 ku Twitter. Sithi sifika khona ngale. Thola abantu abayi2. Khangele.
We've seen that several times.
Yabo? So yeah, Twitter sometimes abantu be social media can gas you up like big times even.
But another thing is, I
Umuchakana.
don't think it's a Julius Malema problem. I feel like abantu won't get this time around. So that no, we've got a common enemy here. Umemba lo one over and above the ANC. Urama P. Ian Adibenga sometimes.
Cupcake.
Yeah, what? And political parties took advantage of that. Suddenly, it is pending. That's why I was feeling happy. Suddenly, so when Dr.
Yeah, it's been there, bro.
It's been there, but they were like, nah, you know what? Their tagline became corruption or anti-corruption because of this guy. Yeah,
Abone i-video uRamaphosa edlula umuntu athi cupcake.
Hello, how are you?
Leso njalo.
Lena vele ila ndaba nje.
No, but that was it though.
Hayi voice over.
Wow, it.
Hey. You know,
Maybe never say hello, how are you? But cupcake. Alelelisisi fake.
Ngizalitshengisa ivideo leyana futhi maningi futhi.
Ngo black wendile abantu ubona siba ngo black wendiwe.
Do you guys know ukuthi imember leni yavuka ijoke ngale sen here abantu
She too free like that,
Labo
man.
picture bedlala la. Lena vele ila ndaba.
Ngilina sela
Every
president
Lina.
wena.
Omunye wena ngathi uthiwa wabanjwa la la Dracula state engakafika president.
Oh hayi chopela. Because ugame bambi mic.
Hi.
Susiphikisa susiba lathi.
No into desikhuluma ngakho.
So lina laba basically phela nalithi uRamaphosa ngoDrake.
Sesibuyela futhi la
No,
usifuna usibisela.
you will not drag us back.
Let's stick to politics. Zilokhu izinini.
Ana ulandela ukukhuluma uningi bese ngiqedile ngoba.
But kube
Yeah.
bekuya ngawe. Ngizavotela la. Njengoba vele sithanda ukuzifaka endabeni ezingasosithi.
Vele singena makhanda.
Vele sithanda ukuzifaka vele endabeni zamanikazi.
Nabenza abamember lane one orania.
I'm something of a nigga.
Kiwa nani wale voted EFF.
Ni EFF yan disappointed mina to vele. Mina cause mina tinya voted EFF.
I normally would have voted for MK but I think I feel like EFF was betrayed, bruh. Like abantu abasebenzile for the past how many years? They deserve
but
this
once
vote.
again, my chance, what percentage of votes has come in as we're recording this?
20-something%.
Well, very.
But it can be a reflection.
And let's hope not. Because those numbers are
About
just...
the statistics may probability, but iyakhuluma ukuthi vele Yona lana, I think you big enough sample vele that's gonna be reflecting ukuthi kuzahamba njani.
Lokho sisake sakubona liyakhohlwa ukuthi ama-episode edesiwenza lapha. Anyway, bangani bami.
But labana
Nah,
babe
everything is
leader,
always gonna fall towards the mean. Very average. I got a
labana vele bahle bavula igap vele.
Hayi umkomane oqale ngazwakali.
Hayi.
Yeah, come on, ozakala one day kuphela kusak announce town.
Iko phela kade lapha kankomane.
Wazwakala ngaphi futhi? Kobulawayo la.
Yeah.
Ha kuma eBen. Uma eBen wonke ophume ngazwakala umkomane. But wona ngangena
But
ekhantona
this
vele.
time ubebuyile umkomana 2
Ah,
meter.
nto bengazwakali
Yeah, 2
vele.
meter why
Yiko basibe kuze kuba kwaba yi50 ngaki 40 ngaki.
Yeah, but
56.
again, looking at
56,
statistics,
44.
right,
Or 42 or something.
what would have been shocking if it was the other way around, like in urban populations, if that wasn't the case. Yeah, well, so what you can get number results, even at the beginning, they I'm going to hamba, they could tease and chin. People like, okay.
language.
Lokuthiza nesino.
Udla phansi lengwanda.
Anothi chinu changu, ichinu chake.
Weza ukuthi kuthala abanye umuntu uToki vibes. uToki ezinjengomela uToki ayenda nenyika hawo. Utawa nje uzazikali sikamgaya umgaya. Ngathi ibi inyika le.
Akhuluma ngayo.
No,
Esirivaya la.
sibe kubukhuza. But I feel like in ANC le ZANU.
Like even in your comparison, bro, like these parties
A liberation.
are literally like they share
Revolutionary
a
parties, yeah.
history
They're friends.
together. Yeah, well.
Is there or like any of these? So
I
most
don't
of
know
these
how
other parties.
verified the article was, but I heard ZANU-PF was doing some collabs with them in
Go
preparation.
collab.
I don't know how verified
No,
it
but
is.
I go right to this cool information engamanga ukwenza ukuthi baspeak.
I'll just have to like fact check
So
it, but I
inazo kula ama
saw,
ghost writers kuna.
like not even in the sense of like helping them with the election, like they were doing something, some engagement or some shit.
Namba batshontsha
Or like a
amakey.
road show lana.
I don't even know.
Namba batshontsha amakey ema-polling station.
But you was
Abantu batshona belambile mfana bemelele ukuvota.
kule nto engani ivelele
Ngisakhumbula-
ku-trick book yabanye abantu esibaziyo. Because abantu baphuza uvote eGoli for the first time
Bro.
since 1994.
Into lena yethu la.
Karibanza
Into lena
ke-
librand lethu.
Yeah,
Now I'll tell you guys a story, like a personal story that I
Librand
know.
lethu lela elokhu uphuza ukuvota bro.
kuthiwa amaphepha wakho kuthiwa kulaba bashone belayini kuthiwa isystem idown.
Mina ngisenast.
Sure.
I ran for SRC.
Okay.
Right. And you know like how universities ulama
Ufuna minister or ufuni top position.
I know not a top position.
Okay.
Nangi right we entertainment.
Okay.
So the thing about our universities, especially state universities, right? They've got student unions.
Yeah.
But obviously student unions are governed by
Zinasu zikhosi.
Yeah, bigger political parties.
Ye ZANU ne?
kuthiwa khona izikhosi ngezanu
Izinasu
Izinasu
ngani zi confused
yeah.
because
Ayi,
ngoba
awaziyo akathi ukuthi izinasu
Enyanga yipi.
yeah
Zinatha.
kwakunomthwakazi futhi.
Olomthokazi
Olomthwakazi, enasti.
Yo, hayi lela lideep.
Okay, zikari into ezenza sikhathi bani nast. I
Dala.
think that's why I was passing at school. Mina ngakwazi into zonke ezifana.
Ovuyile aba lesikhathi la. Lezi lesikhathi.
Bro, I didn't even know about these things, bro.
So it's now Jim na vele class ngangikholisa izikipa
Kulabanye usho manje beke bashaya enye campaign yomhlaba bebhoda benika bonke abantu ama-lollipop mfana. Ichumbi
Namfana
lezana
zashayela
zazibulala
kuzini.
lezi. Hayi.
Mina sacha
Chama
photo
speech.
shoot.
So anyway
Romeo.
Bazotshaya photo shoot.
Said Romeo shay free photo shoot for all students. Chita wa president zi. Mina into yangenza ngaqhoba iministry lapha ngangabhadalanga ischool fees.
Yes.
so angaregister
But vele ngangabhadalanga vele ngaregister. So kwamele vele ngibe ngugwede montage kwaba. Secretary General yawutshela do.
Ungazwakali.
And futhi izinto ngangidlala emnandi ngangekho like emehlweni abantu silabane sas orchestrate
Put ama strings
like
laba.
behind
Tingo
the scenes
Romeo,
yabo.
I know he smoke.
Guys, cool, guys.
Chucha ama
Cool.
last minute. Taw register ngamna.
Ah shit.
But ama benefits yeah obvious. President.
comrade
Yeah,
you fought
president,
in the
really,
trenches
right.
together
Yeah.
so anyway mina the party that me and my friends were under kwakungiyomsangano
Okay.
yabo kwakuyizikhosi
Ngoba lapho show.
vele it was yona
Joe is a dog, bro.
like that bro like tight like this
Karama Zanda.
Ah, no, it's fine.
Nah, it's cool. It's cool.
Anyway,
Let's rock.
so kubalwa laphana sokuvotiwe sokubhalwa. Sesibona ukuthi lapha kayilahla la. I don't know who it is that gave the signal. Sebenze. How? Oh well.
See, I think laba mele sikhulumeni guys. Imic ayisasebenzi. This is not ZPC.
As it is happening.
Anyway, my story was gonna be online by Cisha Malite.
Bacisha amalight.
Yeah. Ngubala amavoice khona phana.
Kwaqishwa amalayithi.
Cishiwe nje.
University yonke.
Because remember, all the votes are on the table, isn't it? Ngubala njalo akusondele order vele.
Kahle kwaba irayisi le beetroot le nyama wonke.
Kufanana lelinye
Le
ichonga
coleslaw.
lelalishela kuzosta uFIFA nxa selibetho lambileyo isa amagetsi ke.
Manje ngabona abantu besenza njalo for into encane ezi-SRC ukuze nini.
What more?
For ilizwe. But in comparison to ilizwe.
Wafihla amaphepha.
Yeah, but akusebenzanga, we still lost.
What the
Hayi kuthi vele
Shit.
I think into leyana futhi is actually reflecting like society in general. Abantu usually they just vote. That's why even kudala like kwakule system yamakey.
But I mean,
umuntu eyi-1 kuphela ongane lichaza guys ngiyilevele imfuna vele ukuthi ngaphathilelo ukuthi nithini sometimes
isifiso sami ngeZimbabwe bro. Angazi ukuthi kuzafa kwenzakala yini. Noma ungazayi kwenzakala but isifisweni laso bro. Ukuthi kube lo mnyaka one day ukuthi uvuyi ya support iZanu PF, Cape Breeze support iCCC, like siphile so like mina mbe kumthokazi uRafa bekubani wapha amanye kanje buda
wena
ubosasa
ofisa kufana njengendlela esupporta ngama team but siyakwanisa utshona sonke
plus siyakwanisa ukukhuluma
about
indlela
each
esifila
other.
ngayo yabo because yabona karesa abantu beSouth Africa ngama elections bro benza ama memes bro ngiyacabanga ukuthi lami kube ngama elections laba sile chance yona leyani ukuthi sikhulume yabo.
It mustn't be a situation ukuthi ngingakhuluma into wrong, and it's a genuine opinion as a citizen. Uyasaba ukuthi uzanyamalala or you know something like that.
Kana vele why ungangaze nyamalalo yona.
Athabala ndabala athi.
Thina
we think
Thina
thina thina sicheza emakasi ethu phela.
Yeah, not on a national level.
National level.
la ngaphi
Barutolo ukuthi mephence kule inye lokuze kule episode esake sapheka khona saphosa sacloka so.
I'm not no doubt ukuthi thina sile file endaweni la. Ikhona ifile.
Yeah, very file ikona.
Ifile.
media outlet bro.
Yeah, I file inathi.
Hayi file ina.
Bona I think bona actually usinceda ukuthi nxe iPodcast yabachaza.
Imnandi. Bara kuzoba le episode
But
ukuthi
bafana aba.
kuzoba le episode ukuthi
Asisondele.
Yakhuluma sendliwe yona le.
This one we said was we said was.
Never sakwazi.
Yeah.
but
I again, like you're saying, I feel like we take politics a bit too seriously. It's just a matter of voting for the person that represents your best interest.
yeah.
Yeah, one. If you voted for someone else, that's the person that represents his interest.
I'm funchela manga bro.
Yeah.
Lawantu mina imphila lapho.
Yeah.
Awazalelwe kuma families besupport iZanu PF.
Yeah.
Like bebancane nje. And kibo kunormal vele konke kokya.
Yeah.
Impilo abayiphilayo isharp.
You're sharp.
Like yonke into igreen.
Even above that, do you know like there's certain ZANU PF members of parliament that I know? Uthi abantu abajeki bagcinile like certain people within their constituents, bro. Uthi umuntu lo jeki nxa esithi ngivotela umuntu lo doesn't mean that they're disillusioned or baba uphiwe impupho or something.
Amakhetha ngiwo athengwa komba.
Exactly.
Because thina futhi information esila nto yawazi nge-social media.
Exactly.
And sesi-establishile lapho
Ukuthi vele social media
is
vele
not a real place.
indawo ye-opposition.
But kule nto ade mfuna ukuyibuza concerning i-social media. Now that sitting, i-social media is not a real place. Do you guys think social media activism is effective? Like right now, I've been seeing people that are posting nge-Congo, la nge-Rafa sakhuluma ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Yeah.
Sibuyele back to abo free Popel Chinono, Zim Lives Matter, Black Lives Matter, yeah, free, Job Sikala. Do you guys think social media activism then like they impact our winning and econ?
It only works for cancelling men.
Yeah.
Ibi.
Good talk on it only works for cancelling men.
It only works for cancelling each other. I'm sorry I said men, but I think it just works for a cancel culture. It works, but other things no.
I think there's a reason why it's there. For example, maybe there's certain objectives that people have when they're bringing certain things to social media. For example, if your objective is awareness, social media is the best place to do it. Yeah, one. People will know what I talk about
to get the information out there.
Exactly. If your objective is to get the people out there, push up.
Because not
But
like
there's a point. Like Ulen Doctor, like even in social media marketing, there's something called a call to action. There's a time where you now need to say, all right, we're mobilizing people from this place to come into real life and there we can make a change. Yeah, one. So if all you're gonna do is say, all right, Hopewell has been in jail for how many days, and you're not saying, all right, guys, let's organize a march to go and free the guy.
then it worked because you got the information out there.
Yeah, you
It's
got
not like
yeah, exactly.
you actually expect to say phumule bathi imali ni bus ehambe khona le chinga. You know what I'm saying?
So yeah, as far as spreading awareness is, bruh, social media is the best place to do it. But sometimes, and when it comes to like
Translating to
exactly, try conversion rate. All right, we need boots on the ground for this.
Mina, I also think
Yeah.
Uloku Zenini, Dave Chappelle also addressed this. He said the problem also that has happened is because we've become a global kind of newspaper. You hear about 10 tragedies a day, and the mistake that what has happened is everyone's a bit desensitized now. Just think of how many bad news or bad videos you saw today alone.
Yeah.
So by the time we, hey, do you know, guys, there's a mass genocide in Wange. It's just the sixth horrible thing I've heard that day. So now, social media has also branched so wide to some of these things are reaching circles that, one, you know, I've mentioned this before, empathy abantu only extends as far as circles where people can identify themselves.
Yeah.
So for example, if there's something bad happening to Amachita Rasta, mina nyati read more. But ungatwa, hey, kutara mwaro nya swipe.
Like
You know,
it's gonna have to do
my
with-
empathy only extends so far. So kuyavuka kule tragedy yenzakale Beirut. You remember that Beirut thing? Like, it's not like I'm being an asshole or anything, but all I could do was just watch those videos and be like, damn, and then move on.
Because I've been seeing people posting like into a Rafale on
Lies
social
on
media.
Raf.
Yeah.
In
So
Dao.
Indao, which was said to be the safest in place war zone, like you see,
Say Israel, right? Palestine.
Palestine, yeah. Palestine and kulempi vele, but kulama zones are
Safe
declared as safe zones. Israel hambe abomba kwapha.
Kari Israel azange yaphi court order to beke.
2 days after a court order. nale.
Court order, James
Arizona
Bond.
Chairs Land about.
2 days. 2 days after court order. nala.
So now say things like that, bro. They pray for Paris. What were you? Man.
So again, ngutshela konke into lezi geopolitics lazo ama double standards akhona they're everywhere. Because bekhumbula ukuthi sonke lapha sathi uPutin is behaving like Thanos isikhathi lapha nesenza into zakhe Ukraine. But now everyone is just I know people are trying ukuthi bangani baba activists, but we know there are certain voices that are usually fast ukuthi pray for Paris or pray for this. Athule karesa khangela into ezenza
Which is true, bro, because most of these, anyway, social media news outlets are controlled by people with agendas at the end of the day.
Yeah. I don't
This
think
is why
abantu abanjengabobani singathi bana bo CNN labo BBC I don't think they would really condemn into leyenza kanjani.
I was watching this
But
guy.
kungathuthi imember kuthiwa kwini lokya Al-Qaeda fisha umuntu ngempama eParis ke trend iviki yonke.
Vele.
Terrorist.
Kadesi, there was this guy I was watching, Guti. It was in a way for, I'm not going to mention which race it is. To make sure, I can't remember the proper terminology used to explain, but you have to create this kind of culture where they had to really make sure the genocide that happened against them had to be the worst genocide of all, which actually isn't. This is why wonke umuntu kadesi.
Wayekayikla.
You see, ungathiwa, who is the worst? all of us think of Hitler. But there was Leopold la, Congo,
the Belgian guy.
the Belgian guy. He
20,
did how many?
20 million black
20
guys.
million people. Leopold, where Komizandle pose the picture so and but it's because
Hitler would gas you like you wouldn't feel your death.
why well to remain Leopold go effed up.
Yeah.
But most people actually don't even know for Leopold.
Yeah.
Because it's not against them. So this one guy who did this is the one way we make sure this never happens again. We keep putting it in their people's faces how horrible it is, and anyone who can make light or whatever of the situation can get cancelled or can lose their livelihood.
That's what I'm saying, which is they position themselves such that vele baba ngama victims kakhulu. Right now, even if ngophikisana le tribe lana about other things, like ukhanya babe bangamateki nje, but
Like,
they somehow found a way.
Anti-Semitism.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Even the word now is isukuma. What do you call this? Isukuma. Like now, ama keywords and hate speech. It's one of
It's,
the keywords,
yeah.
which means they're a protected group now.
Like an example I wanted to give, right? Like the way Israel is acting right now, it's actually not out of character. They've been like this for many years. Like there's a time, it's a documentary that I saw on Netflix in the 50s, between the 50s and 60s. There's a time where, if you've heard the story of how the entire Olympic team, Israel, once got kidnapped.
Damn.
Yeah, they got kidnapped by a terror group called the Black Hand.
Oh,
Yeah.
And I think by Ngomnyama, some of them died in the process, like I think when they were getting rescued. I think I'm getting something wrong there. But essentially what Israel did, and at the time the Prime Minister was a lady, was like, for the next 2 years, they did targeted attacks on people that they had the slightest inkling whether this person was involved. There's going to be collateral damage. For example, let's say part of one of us is
Bamcabangela.
all of us have to die. Yeah. And this was over, like when I say it wasn't over years, over the next 2 years, bruh. Just because suddenly you're now a person on the suspect. I won't be interrogated. I just have to go. Yeah. And these are things that we don't know about. Yeah.
Ukuphuma phandle nje.
Yeah.
I know.
But the point that I was building to was actually something that Kabelo said on desensitization. Right now, there's so many things that are happening in one news cycle, such that, like the Kuluma, I was thinking, if 9/11 would happen today, right now, like the Twin Towers in New York, they're bombed, and same death toll, same. Do you think it would have much of an impact as
Like
it
it
did
did?
then on
Nope.
people?
My attention span is very shit. After a week, service
Every
come out.
day.
The reason why those people back then were bothered so much is because each generation learned ukuthi ngeSunday ekuseni udala waye keeping newspaper. Ayibale. Ethi what this is what happened this week. And he'll take time to process it. All right, shit. This is what happened.
Slower.
Every hour of every day, bruh, we're looking at news.
Something. Yeah.
So I just like,
Because
look at my videos akudala. Once remember the WhatsApp group who used to like sending graphic videos of abantu bebulala now. No shit like that.
Yeah.
At the beginning, bro, you'd be like, yo, what the hell? I keep you group in late. But now you see in your gallery, it's like, shit, okay, let me delete this. Man, I would delete it. So yeah, I kind of feel like
So like for me, a rule of thumb that I always use, especially the problem we have with when a tragedy happens and then you wanna bring attention to a certain tragedy. What aboutism and then people like, oh yeah, but Kumaloko, what about the underage marriages? What about the water? And then it's like my concern for this particular demographic does not mean I am unaware of other things that's happening. If you guys saw that series, Altered Carbon, there was a guy they called Lawrence Bancroft, and he said something that stuck with me, doc. This one scene where he's helping and then this guy says, who pointless, and then this guy saying, so are you saying because I can't help everyone, then I should help no one?
How?
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Just because I can't worry about every tragedy doesn't mean I can't help everyone. Ukhona omunye kade ozachiseka ngama child marriages. Ukhona omunye uzachiseka ngolokuzeni. Mina nami ngizachiseka ngokunye dog. But
SK.
hey, just because mina saying chisera ngalokho and I'm gaining traction,
Yeah.
don't come shoot me down your whataboutism and then say, yeah, likhuluma ngalokhu. What about the millions of kids who are not in Somalia? Hey man, I feel for them, but that's someone else's fight now. Understand?
Because mina engucabangayo nge-social media ngeke ngihlane lamanye ama-post yabona ukuthi maybe bathi ungashare kuma-stories akho abantu bangikhona bayathola maybe $9 yabo. I feel like lokhuyana ku-effective but lana ukuthi at the image and then what,
At the image,
like on your stories just posting.
Instagram, look at edge yours.
maybe get the message out there. Someone who has a direct might see it and then do something.
Yeah,
maybe.
with money already, no.
Maybe.
It's fine.
I'm a tragedy. I understand. You know, it's sometimes don't feel bad for not feeling bad about everything. It's
Yeah, because I feel like maybe ngxenye okunye okungenze ngabuza bese ngathi ngifeel bad with.
Why am I not
Everyone
worried
Like
about it?
indifferent.
Yeah,
or
because
something.
man mele kimi ku make sense ukuthi post yabo. Maybe ngike ngathola umuntu ozang explain la sharp ukuthi ano. Wena ungenza so into le inceda kanje. But nxa ngakamthola I'm like ngiyabe sengisiba fake phela ama
I think I see Lola
Yeah, nami ngikubonile and mina into efana of course maybe effect yakhona maybe kwa befuna kwenza mina ngibone like maybe 3 or 4 people kuma stories
I mean,
post
it's everyone,
And-
bro.
kulokuthi ngilandelele ngepost yasina ngenzeni ngihambe ngagoogle because I didn't know
Yeah, lami ngihambe
Ngihambe
ngagoogle
ngagoogle
ngabala.
ngabala. So
ngabuza ngathi kuyini kwerafa. I mean
so lami sengikwazi so ngabe into nale awareness
Ukuthi sibe kwazi
then they did their job.
Yeah, they did
Because it's
a
not
good
like they
job,
expect you guys to be Palestine. And they say, "Yathi Palestine ngawo." Yini Israel. Uyakwazi wena eGafa.
Gachis.
Dala.
Man.
Big man. You wanted to say something, bro?
Yeah, I wanted to throw a span into the works. It's a dizzy take, but you know, I'll stand by it.
Yeah, you joke.
That's your brand.
brand.
Udume ngesithimira bro.
Now,
To me.
my thing is,
Yeah.
I've always felt like as into on social media, there's a difference between activism and sensationalism. Yeah, there are issues, very pertinent issues, that have got either to do with you or your countrymen here at home. This is not your brand. It's not your brand to mention anything about it. But when you see that, okay, ngansokule trend lapa, and look, I could be wrong about it.
Yeah.
I could be wrong about it. But I feel like there are some people that I know which just from having a conversation, this person genuinely like ule empathy and learn good, hey, into yenzakala ngale.
I got right.
But I assure you there's so many people that first had to Google or they just reposted without knowing what the hell's going on in Rafa. They don't even know where Rafa is. I don't. That's why I was like, out of respect to people that are going through something there, I won't join that bandwagon.
Yeah, just
Yeah, what? So Angaz, I always find it fine. I'm like, I'm not saying don't post about that, but I'm saying like even ngezinto as mine and allow things that may not look,
affect away.
as affect away and labantu bangakini or abangani bakho, people back home. It may not look cool, but keep the same image.
But I mean, into engiyibona weird, like sengisekwe ambijana. Into engiyibona weird ku social media yezim bro. Is he hate abantu abayinika umjidalwana i-comedian. Thomani.
Long John, I'm not. I think we're on different sides of the fence, manje, this time.
No, yeah. Let's omunye lomunye qalisa
Yabona ni, bro. But just to give people context to kwenzakala. Mbana abani context uvuke ngiyoblinding into zokuchasisela abantu.
All right. So there's a comedian, Long John.
Yeah.
Lenmo Jonas.
Na ile
Yeah,
Long
Ngimazi as Long John. The funny thing is people don't know that this guy has actually been established out of the country for years.
for some time.
For some time. I mean,
Even one some Steve Harvey thing, and I
Yeah,
think
one.
that time futhi wathola futhi the same hate I told.
I used to watch in Doctor You Laugh in Your Language. It's a South African thing, like my essay comedians. And that's when I learned about him. And then later on, that's when I found out I couldn't remember Yeah, well,
Okay.
unfortunately, I didn't think he was funny then. I don't think he's funny now. Yeah, well, but anyway, looking at his trajectory, bro, like his career is really going places. He went on America's Got Talent, and he actually went on a while back. I found out about months ago, actually. But Usegu stage Liana in the show. where he got a golden buzzer, and that's actually a very big thing for people that go onto the show. Means I'm not judges.
Climax, if you-
Really, I want to very, you know what I mean?
Amazwane.
What was it? You know, and then he got that. Yeah. And obviously, as people back home, we saw that and like, okay, that's pretty dope. However, other people, I'm not talking about people
You
like me.
and others.
No, because there's people that hate it. There's people that hate it. There's people that are like, no, remember, what the hell? You know, yeah, bye. You know, so me and those guys.
My ngikhulume andithi ngiqalise sesisuke kabantile ukuzini.
Let's make the context.
Mina bro,
Yeah.
what I've seen, yabona i-hate enjalo bro. Yabona uNkulunkulu bra. Yikho manje lapho umuntu ambusisa khona manje. Mina bro nxa ngikhangela indlela umjitelwana abamzonda ngayo ngama comments ona lana abuya because you can tell ukuthi amanye ama comments umuntu lo usebenzisa izigi ucaphukile ukuthi vele akala mali yadubeka eZimbabwe yabo ulambile vele yabo
Ngiyakhumbula
and ubona umuntu like ese-USA
even
America's Got Talent
bamtshela kubo.
yabo like umuntu onjalo vele nje kulesigaqa lesiyana but bro mina ngokubona kwami izinto zisenzakala empilweni uNkulunkulu abantu abanjalo ndoda yibo vele ahla manje uhlala nje umzekeliso ngabo and mambona i-hate ya ngiyifisa i-hate yana for this podcast bro ngiyifisa blind
Ngiyafuna mina.
ngilifakele
i-hate lana I aspire for that hate
ngilifakele into eqeda ukukhulunywa ngomgcini ngesikhiwa mvumelana lawe bro to get that level of hate for people to come at you like that it means they're emotionally charged about something that's going on for you and people usually become emotionally charged about something if they identify something they would want for themselves or someone they love.
Okay.
That is why people
la project
so
labana
mina ngiyifuna ngomgcini ungabona usuthole hate njalo ubona umuntu lo utypele nyembezi there is something in my story that they would wish for themselves bro so I'm doing well dog so mina outside of whether it's funny or not
Yeah.
mina actually I didn't watch I saw that whole thing you know Terry Crews that build up I didn't make it to the part where I see the stand up
Okay.
I just saw his interaction with Terry Crews
That's why.
yeah but the times I've seen him which was maybe 2-3 years back, I liked his content. But was it you who was telling me some of the jokes he made?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, myself as a, what do you call this? As
Dr. Uma.
no, not Dr. Uma. This one. No.
Dr. Uma
Not Uma here. Lava Joe don't stand-up comedy. I don't like cheap comedy for which is what I don't know what it did, but I will say he's doing well. You wouldn't yakwazi ukuthi levi paraphrase amajoke akhona so ingce video yenza abayisidingi
Yeah.
akusinike
wazi Rafa ekhuluma ehleka vele usulalele ehleka the whole time
Nah,
Utheni umjita?
you're saying there was a part where he was mentioning ukuthi kwathi kufakwa like ama-traffic lights lapha akhulela khona they all went and took pictures but then factually there are no traffic lights anywhere there so
anje umuntu Rafa ngesokukhuluma so let me tell yeah
it's a bit
uthi khona kufani let me tell
so yeah mina I'm built into this ngithe mbona lokhana ngibona ivideo lana ngingakakhaya lama-comments I was like oh wow good for him then ngase ngiqasha ukubona ama-comments engibabona eqala ade negative abantu bekhuluma into zabo abanye behleka lami bekundihlekisa kwenye amajoke akhona sithi member le kwathi then someone broke it down mina I'm always willing to learn bro like kulo muntu onjinja perspective yami ngento leya ngase ngicabanga ukuthi lami nxa sokuyima I wouldn't like something uthe yes siyalizwisisa guys comedy very subjective kulabanye abantu kade even ngihamba kuTtwitter ukuthi Trevor nokahlekisi but ketunga
but uTrevor noyabe usu-exposile laba
bakhona nje people family
But the dude is not funny.
even ukevin athenje
And when Ralph is done, and I'm gonna explain why I find Trevor Noah not funny. Lolen Mo like yeah.
Uhlekile ukuthi amajita ahleka ube
kulo muntu break it down into leyana ukuthi but guys siyakwazi sonke eZimbabwe ukuthi kunjani actually not even eZimbabwe in life generally as young people we all want to make it so remember whether you find his thing enzayo relatable or not today is his big day
It's his big day, though.
a good thing happened to him like person to person when you might say maybe umsebenzi onje profession enje iphandle but ungezwa omunye umuntu esiku-profession leyo maybe se-promote you're like it's a good thing for them so member kahlekisi kwabanye like him sometimes but into adi off yikuthi lina lithatha imo kufanana la ngeday yakho yomshado dog abantu into
vele movie lo
lo la movie lo lo vele lo la liwentshi lo
like not today dog
it's not i-timing
fanana le mfa umuntu efile
umuntu efile sekukhumbula ukuthi
uJoseph wayedithanda
Goro.
so mina after member lwane
Ingafaki inhlabathi.
uJoseph
Fakanidwana.
uJoseph City noma elambe njani
ufaka isitshwala
ungafaka isitshwala pa
Ufake igorora.
pa
Wayekela igoro. Wayezeka abosisi bakabangani bakhe. Ezeka nabo mama bakabangani bakhe.
akhululana
Ingafaki
so mina
inhlabathi.
ama-opinions enu sometimes because abantu bathe
they can't help it dog
bese begaslight abantu besithi hey why are you guys forcing this kind of but no we're not forcing the guy on you you can literally just scroll
I
on your
think-
timeline and find omunye umuntu like
Before
okuchazayo.
ukhulume because ngiyakwazi
And
uzathatha isikhathi
congratulations.
eside
Don't be negative dog
ezinye
about
isibongo
life.
ngabantu yini bro like mina ngiyavuka ngizonda iManchester United namuhla ngiyizonda vele kuyazakala ukuthi ngiyizonda sengihamba ku social media mina ngithi so yilo i-menu vele ishit yethu
Like,
expecting
so
ukuthi
crowdfunding hate.
crowdfunding
So
yethu,
sponsor.
bro.
Hey, so
Sponsor.
sport is a crowdfund.
Just because mina ngiyizonda so kumele wonke umuntu around me ayizonde bro so kumele abantu bavumelane lami
Yeah.
and sometimes abantu bazavumelana lawe bro not because
Exactly.
bavumelana lawe
Yeah.
but i-hate yona leyana vele ukuthi wena
Our
ngizabuyela
hate is a
kuziki
long-
usebenzise iziki
Yeah.
Drake
ukwatile
So yeah, guys, i-timing sometimes is.
Yeah.
Remember lena bekumele njengemember yethu eZimbabwe. eZimbabwe nje isithwele nzima, especially abantu bama-arts.
Awusithamele
Not
one
everyone
to-
blows up.
a hungry man is an angry man dog
Yeah,
Abathi
so
bazondi
awusho mla ephumelele guys. Let's just
Qala
shout
nje.
out to you.
umuntu oqhawula uba baka everybody hates Chris
Hey,
All right. Now my point was actually like leading on to that, like influencing hate. There's a difference between having your opinion about something and which you don't like, and kuba nothing kubuthakathi.
ucrowdfund
Eh. Eh. Eh.
namuhla they found out today ukuthi I don't even relate to uSkhumba ama-jokes akhe. But ukumbone nahamba ku-social media ngisaya ukuthi hey uSkhumba yenze like I just let him be because bakhona bam-appreciate-ayo. Mina lama appreciate abangichazayo ngiyelela.
our hate is a long term investment
So
Like,
now,
yeah, there's no need.
I feel like with what Ralph has said that uthi ilanga lakhe likhulu leli, right? And in as much as you don't really fuck with this content like that, when you then go on social media for your own interactions, you know, uthola interaction ngendaba
ngendaba eyenzakalayo
enzakalayo, a hot topic, you then bring a man down. Yeah,
Yeah.
I feel like there's an element of witchcraft in that.
umuntu omnyama
Yabona. And vele into ekhona nale.
Yilo
You know,
elibanjalo.
the angle that I wanted to come at, and before I even tell you whether I like his jokes or not, I feel like, and I said this earlier on, Benkuma look for some guy. I said this earlier on, those jokes were never meant for us.
yeah we're not the target market
We're not the target market. And so before we get into this, okay, he said, she said.
He knew his audience.
He knew his audience, bro.
asonjubes got talent
It's America's got fucking
America bro
boy.
uqade bona ukuthi bathi befaka ama-traffic lights wabona abantu bayahleka wathi
I'm on the right track.
mana ngingene
And
deep
also-
ngingene
Chances
deep
are he knew that as he's saying that, and people back home are not gonna like it. But I was like, no, I'm not on Zimbabwe's good. I'm so stop right, list.
bro vele angikho
It's
lapho
not stop right.
but I think it's dope because he fed into their
Yeah.
what's the word misconceptions
Yeah, bona.
they think we're in the bundus
Yeah, bona. So when I broke it down, and I even said, look at it, the way I think from my interactions with white people, and whether on social media or in real life, this is what I think about the majority of these people. They've got certain misconceptions about us, certain jokes that they want to tell about black people, but they can't. They like it when black people say it because they can't say it.
knock knock who's there Sama who Sama nyobi
Yeah, what? They can't say that shit because it's gonna come across as racist. But when
So
It's
yeah,
like-
now
it's
remember
like-
futhi la usebenzisa ingqondo zakhe lapha because like ngawufika wafaka onye kule joke kwamaziki abakwazi amaziki ngalo bebazoke
But
behleka.
like
Lina vele izahleka nese eliminate.
moment
Yeah.
lana bro bekuyi-realization ukuthi as a killer sometimes.
Yeah, boy. Think about it this way, and
Because I'm like, what the fuck? Like,
ngathi mina into ke ima-define maybe i-second part lapha i-second part
But I'm like, oh, well, it's
And
fine.
you even got a golden buzzer for that. Think of it this way. There's this white guy, a comedian called Matt Rife, right? And then there's Dave Chappelle. Take write a joke right now about slavery. Give it to Matt Rife. Even white people won't like that joke. Give it to Dave Chappelle. Same joke. Buzzer clear. We are one. So that's when I realized that no, this person, and as far as and the reason why I'll applaud him for as far as he's gone is because right now, Simon Cowell, Gulo, Howie Mandel, like these are people that might actually like this joke. Yeah, one. Abantu emuva ngale lapha emvela khona awusoze beyithanda.
But washa.
those niggas
Well, fuck those niggas.
Like, kule memuliyano,
Man,
bro.
fuck them kids.
Kule memuliyano ukuthi isikhathi sonke lezi ngangizitshela ukuthi angikwanisi ukugida. Kanti bengigida le drive wrong. Fika ngane mfana ngile membe yabo ujaha. Jaha bro manje uyagida mfana.
ujaha
Estate bamenzela iseki.
ujaha nje vele usibambile ndoda ujaha like is the
Kodwa
guy
ngiyakwazi ukugida.
na ujaha yagida dog but
Uyagida but wena nxa like
Nothing. Look at
Naye
how
lapha
uchaza
like-
amajita.
naye lapha thina
nxa
sekhangela
lapha
maybe
vele
ku-MTK
begide one.
but ngale
Hayi ngale mfana.
Bavula
bamshela
isekele.
iseki, man. Yabo sakunjalo vele la ngomjista.
ujaha loda vele his jaharing there
He's jaharing big time.
jaha is big there
Kuthiwa
DJ Jack. Vele ukwazi ukuthi uJack ngu-DJ.
injelefoni
Ithi lapha ngezwa ka-DJ,
I've
but
been working
ngale-
on my DJ set. I don't think that DJ.
But actually, just to segue.
Yeah.
Benhleka lo Jack ekuseni.
Kunjani?
Benhleka lo Jack ekuseni. Kule member yethu down asozikhuluma ibizo.
Kakhuluma dog
No, I won't say his name. I know why I'm not going to say his name. But remember there yaposta a picture of him nomfazi wakhe on social media.
Yeah,
Yabhala
I'm
le
gonna be
paragraph.
Bakhiphi.
Abantu ba report.
abantu bareport first
Ba report post.
Instagram ikhipha.
So the thing is
long
that
term investment.
it is
Short
why I
and
can't
long
say the
term.
name.
so manje plan ungaposta umuntu afuna ukuposte just crowdfund
Hate is a long-term investment.
Crowdfund the
So
hate.
the reason why I wasn't going to say his name, man. Remember it. Remember Miyama bezikhulela. And uchira khona likiwa. So I can imagine. Abantu bathe report abathi slavery.
Racial. Oh, reasons for racial.
Rashad.
wethi leyo bayithatha serious bahle bakhiphe
Abantu bakipa.
Later.
So she Jagat, bro, do you see what they did to Apoy? Shit. Anyway.
But I know, I feel like mina umchitani. Umchita sesingambona sibile elabo Dave Chappelle.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nothing is very
umchita vele
possible.
uyaphambili vele
Umchita vele ibrass evayile.
that's
man.
happened to hayi enda ningi
Hayi,
engaze
ngiyayifisa,
lizonde
bro.
engaze
Enjalo,
lithathe
ethe njalo ngiyayifisa bro.
Hayi lena yi-hate osuwazi ukuthi okay now going
So
places.
sharp
Kuthiwa
Now, I've got a controversial opinion.
about
And this leads on to like what we've been saying. Like hometown heroes are celebrated everywhere, but their hometown.
that's how it
Yeah,
is.
one.
yeah, the vibe.
And umuntu enganicabanga ngathi nguNight Freak. Fine simthabele because ngumuntu wethu.
abaningi bamthabele when it was now convenient
Exactly.
So famous.
But even just look at the genre of music that he does. I can assure you, most of the people that follow him don't really fucks with that music, bro.
Freak also music ayenzayo.
Yeah,
mina
boy.
vele nhle ngubambe nge-favorite song yakwetha.
Hey,
Uthando
tell me what's your favorite? Yeah, boy.
Wait,
Yeah, boy. So I kind of feel like if you are a person that's looking to get into the international audience, and for some reason you're still looking for validation
Nah.
back home, you usakachana vele emangweni wakho.
Uzamele uthengisa amajita.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lapha
But
ke ngikuthengisa
but
manje.
this is where we start thinking of things like appropriation, because this is when niggas start getting mad and saying, oh, when I saw like sesigqoma pajamas uthi sithola ama-pocket la ezedeni ukucheck sithi but la wethe
ezingolanga sesizonke
wasithiya sinje indoda awusithiya
Sabe
ngasinje
sasivuthuza i-podcast sigqoka amabheji mfana.
olanga ehleda this boys
zimosquito vele sengani sisejungle jungle
Sengithi thina sirecord i-podcast e-Africa.
sihleze etshanini
Sasihlezi etshanini.
I mean, I'm just happy for
Ora
you.
beqotsha inyoka ku background. Ngiyithe kwathutsha ipython isirecord. Lisakhumbula
Ah,
lapha
libona
nama lights
licisha.
azocisha.
It was a python.
Yayigoqela ipython. Amakhiwa athi ah 20 meter this chambers.
There
Namahita njani?
are 3 black men in a car. Who's driving?
What?
3 black men are in a car.
In a car.
Who is driving?
White guy.
The policeman.
Oh shit.
You know how much jokes are going to watch? I'm kidding now. Someone was kind of.
Okay.
Dinner time.
Now I was like, oh no.
George Floyd wasengafika. Areza kusafika kokuhlekisa bhaka
From each one, from each
From
one,
each
each one.
one. But ayihlekisi le.
Kulo-
Ndoda kule mjidala actor ku F is for family la.
Oh, Bill Burr. I ain't goes it.
Leni sikhulumele yonke into
I
la.
ain't goes it.
And you know, uyazi kumina kumnika igunya ukuthi akhulume. Umfazi wakhe umuntu omnyama.
Dada. Yeah, you couldn't.
Ngiyengela ndaba ngenguSeth MacFarlane. LenguSeth MacFarlane nje ichoka bonke abantu ndoda. Everyone.
Ah, but Bill
But
Burr, bro, like, takes to another level,
Ogaset
bro.
is through like a medium, so it's
Yeah.
like, Bill Burr himself.
Ngiyana thini?
What
Ngiyana
is-
uthatha inika kube.
What is his second? You go short at the end. What is sick and tired of watching a movie la where white people move to the neighborhood and start teaching in an underprivileged school, and then they start braiding her hair, and then at the end of the video she's dancing to hip hop. I'm sick and tired of that shit. Where's the real action? Where umtafika kone zamungetha abantu bemtside. Fuck you, motherfuckers. Can't even help these fucking people.
Yizo stuff esebenzisa
It
ifoni.
is stuff is legit, yeah.
Kunzima ngani bami. Kunzima. Asike sisaba le conversation. I feel like sonke vele maybe ngovu ya science axoxa into le. But bengisithi growing up in an African family, uma ukhula you get to realize with shit. Ama responsibilities amaningi actually. Asengawakho. Like asengawakho. Amanye bazakutshela
Amanye uzazibonela.
amanye uzazibonela. Sasesibuya lo mbuzo la. Manje ngibala umbuzo ngakho. Lingidedele. I'm not English, but I will try to read.
Ayizame nabayizame mfana.
Bana accent lana.
Haba la accident yakho.
Uzwile.
Yes.
Accident.
Haba la accident yakho.
Futhi kubezela imhleko.
How can
Ngizwele vele.
ama 40 ngeyikhohle i-accent but benza zama ukusebenzisa. So how can one distinguish between the responsibility of paying black tax and the personal obligation of providing for one's family? And where should the line be drawn to balance both without causing any financial strain? Yabo.
Uma 40 ube depend abethi. I was telling my sister.
You know what my mom said to us when we were growing up? She said, don't give a fuck about us.
You should not buy groceries. I'm an adult. Use your
You should not buy groceries.
You should not buy groceries. You should use your own, you should use your own money.
No, I'm serious. No, I'm serious. You know what my mother said? What's that? My sister
Ah,
said?
phela manje sinjayisene lawo 40 before ngiyala.
40.
Pusha insimbi.
Serious?
Angitshela alive.
Ingazwakali
Ngibona into
ingane.
namuhla ngathi ngaze ngamisa imoto esinto kwethara bengifuna umeka shoot yambona. Everything sithini bafo? Ethi sikhuluma kanjani?
No, my father serious said to her.
Sithini bafo? Ngabe sithi.
Wanhlonipha kangaka.
Ngabe sithi ususiya kushow la and yabi sithi no sikafika lafana. But if you cool guy bengibona ukuthi
Ingakhulumi njengo 40
ngifake
esinje.
14 esithi ngabe sithi mina senziyalinka lamajida siyengale. Sithi anyel join kathesi. Kanjani mbuyi. Ngahle ngayibona ukuthi isile ibisile pressure ukuthi siyahumani ingazizwanga ukuthi ibisivele isitshelile ukuthi ayiwina manje. Ngabona sweep boza ngiza kubona. So anyway, uthe simbalele opinion yakhe karutheni kathi.
Usayidinga opinion yakhe Ralph. You were saying?
Ngendaba ye-black tax. Athi ngisacabanga but
Ukhona nje ufuna ukukhuluma.
nah, let me just chop because I think I have an idea. So the thing is now, although I know it can't be as practical, but I feel like there are a lot of factors. Like I call answer one investor. There are a lot of factors that play into this thing. But when as an individual, I think you have to have that analytical eye yokuthi ukhangela ukuthi in as much as maybe wena usebenza lapha endlini bekudliwana la ekuseni belivuka linatha amanzi then selimele isapha nxa kunjalo which means sokumele uthenga ama cornflakes bebe sebesidle ekuseni you have to change you have to right a wrong there but nxa ukuthi abantu laba ade besidle iporridge le lemon then kade sebefuna ubathengela granola like then becomes
ini granola abantu abayazi vele granola sitshela
Muesli umbozibani bani.
Isihambe kakhulu.
like sibathengela into fancy if ngade kule way of living like engekho that bad like let's say maybe ngini uyabona ukuthi bekule 5 rooms wonke umuntu atele room yakhe kule jira kule gate ngini I don't see the need now for someone to be entitled ukuthi ngoba sengisebenza so mele ngifake ezinye extra 10 rooms ngikhaya lihlala ngani thina sesibadala so yiko ngisho ukuthi mele analyze wonke into le ngifuna ukuyi-introduce la is it solving a problem or it's just an upgrade or it's just a burden to me because now you have to build your own things
Yeah,
kule nto le nto ebokwazi ukuthi mnawakho jeke kala fees and you can't let your mnawa engahambi esikolo
ngihambe isikolo wena
But
abazali
mna-
bathi vele earning power bakubhadalela
Bakubhadalela.
wena abasela
But
earning power wena ngosule earning power ubona
mnawakho
iplan
ehambe esikolo esidecent I wouldn't see the need for you to now burden yourself sumhambe Whitestone because uyafunda jeke
ayipasa phela.
hayi uyafunda dog uyafunda
suqeda basupopota futhi ukuthi imebhatala ama school fees la bethi hey boss
uyafunda jeke nxa
Relax.
umuntu lanta kusele i-option bezomele ahlale phansi that's where you can chip in that's where you're providing for your family i-black tax iba ingani lokuba diluted kakhulu nge-entitlement lani ukuthi just because wena usebenza yenza something sigcwale ngawe la noma kungela problem so kumele sigcwale ngawe so kumele yenze something so
Vui.
All right. Now, gents, on this one, right? I believe in a generationally progressive society. For example, if your parent had a diploma, it's on you to get a bachelor's. If your parent had a bachelor's, we now have a master's. Hey,
hey 40 nema hydra
Imandash.
obele gwede lapho
Gwede.
Yabona. Wena nxa ulegwede Mandash.
Mandash.
Umntana wakho kumele abe le PhD. You know what I mean, right?
irama p gwede
You know what I mean? Yeah. But unfortunately, right, I feel like sometimes people lack foresight. For example, here I am with my bachelor's, right? I've got a job that you as my parents never had. I'm making money that you as my parent never made. It doesn't mean that it's now the solution to our problems as a family. What it then means is, all right, what can you do mntanami ngebachelor's yakho le olayo? For yourself and by extension, generations to come. For example, I can then say, you know what, I can use this to start uyaka. I find it hard to believe that the way I think about black tax is I'm taking away money from my generations, abantu abazabuya after me, to satisfy people that came before me.
Mali yoku SK sesithenga amatamatisi.
You know what I mean? It doesn't mean that the need is not there. Like Ralph is saying, sometimes you need to apply some reasoning. But you know what? Is not good and it's not good once in a while I can't help her out. But I'm trying to build something for myself and my family and by extension her own descendants. Hey, I'm just
hayi mfana uqale kuhle mfana
Yabona. And the reason why I mentioned this all right.
uyifumbathe ngolako lalela pe
Bazama share.
All right, it's
cool
fine.
bro
And an example I can give you, look at other ethnicities like around us. Makiwa, Jews, Indians, and so on. I mean, fine, black tax is a black thing. But I've never heard, I mean, I'm not immersed in the society like that, so I wouldn't know. But I doubt there's a thing within them where they say, all right, saying a significant chunk of my salary now needs to go to the homestead. You know what I mean?
Because the black takes kulokungama beliefs even lokhana to have in like your first big shake kumele ihambe
Enkulu,
isendlini.
yonke.
Manyala.
Yeah, what kind of shit is that, bro?
And
Ah,
if you look at it,
you got to go in
What kind
again.
of shit is
if you
that?
look
Ah,
at
who
it,
right, you know, yeah.
look at where they are and look at where we are.
Yeah.
Fine, again, I will admit it's very ignorant of me to say that the black text is useless. It comes from need. It comes from need. Iyafunakala kwezinye izikhathi. Isikhathi eziningi iyafunakala. But sometimes I feel like that sacrifice needs to be made. You know what? Masado namhla this month around. Imali khona but ngizama ukuyakha ngco like understand.
Ha, once
Mafayitha ngikhona.
mina
But yeah, ke ngisho ukuthi indaba ye-entitlement yona leya nto just because wena ngumntanami akufundisa
i-reality
I need X amount from your
yabantu
earnings
abaningi
till you die.
i-reality yabantu abaningi esengikhulume labo lami involved yabo abantu abaningi come from families where abadala babe not abaningi because mase sithi abaningi so ngani ngikhulumela lonke abantu engikhulume labo ama-families abavela kiyo bro maybe umdala wayengafundanga like that umasalu la wayengafundanga like that so ekuphileni kwabo bona bazamile ukuthi balifundise leni njengabantwana yabo nxa bona bengihambanga enyuvesi bagcina ngegwede bakuthi pha montage swiswi yabo sule degree impilo zabo zona vele bezi-focused on ukuthi abantwana bathole education thina esingayitholanga bathole thina impilo esingayitholanga
Better chance.
seswatholile ama-degrees maybe abanye sebehambile kubo UK sebephumile eZimbabwe then now abadala akusela source of income esikhona like akusela mali esingena bro sebecinile osokusiba yi-strain yikuthi abadala basebenzi ama-expenses lawa
Akhona.
asikho ukuthi azastopha just because abadala basasebenzi ama-expense akhona and azadinga ukukhava but nosebenzani nguwe yabo but at the same time ukhava ama-expenses wonke wona lawa impilo yakho wena yindawo abantu abajoli like mina personally right now angijoli maybe because of ngifila ngathi ama-responsibilities engilawo maningi kakhulu like manje sithi ngizaba le cherry keresa sihambe SK sokuride
Uzomenzela.
ngizakwenzelani besides
And bona bahlupha ba these days.
yabo like ngizakwenzelani because of and futhi I feel like into enjalo mawuzayitshela icherry like you're just wasting time
Ah, only broke beach.
like you're just wasting time laba ngikhulumela mina abanye bazafaka imbono yabo maybe kuma comments different but I want i-black tax inzima mayisinjalo bro ukuthi sharp akusele inye solution la uyazibona ukuthi la
So uyilahla.
nxa ifamily yami izaba le breakthrough i-breakthrough yangona yimi and impilo bro life is tough bro eZimbabwe
if-
bra izinto
if-
ziyayilahla bro
If that's the case,
Yeah,
then
well.
I think what you should just wait on is that big break where now you can afford to have your own
Hey,
life.
but then what if it doesn't
And then-
come?
and ngenye reality
Mina-
naleyo bro cha
Mina ilokuze black tax le it's very a hot button especially for Tina because first of all as a race we're 400 years behind and then as a country Tina wamuzwala ezikhulumela eseDubai lapha sithi we are 100 years behind so 100
yeah
so now
perform kaka
asikhoni nokutya
asikhona ukutya asikhona kaka
Even ekuseni.
probably kaka so now i-issue yethu magents i-issue yethu ye-black tax kithi iyahlupha because sonke sihlezi la our parents should be on pension all of us in this room I don't know ukuthi
Yeah.
lina your parents
Yeah,
some of
bro,
us are
yeah.
parents still working but they've passed working age
Yeah,
But they
even,
don't have
even
a
me,
choice.
yeah, yeah.
Yabo?
Yes, yeah.
so
Context
now
is still
you are
grinding,
in
yeah.
a scenario where your parents sent you to good schools you see what's happening collapse lena yenzakala ama-savings abazali ahamba now are you going to sit in a position where you know you have maybe a little ability to help once again just because I can't change everything doesn't mean I can't change something you know ilofu isawa you know that is in my capabilities okunye futhi you know ebazalini lakho kungabi lokufaka nesilingweni umntana wakho uyamazi ukuthi usebenza ngani unga-expect ukuthi ezo-extend indlu
yeah
so ufuna umntwana etshontshe ofisini phela yebo wathi ukhula umntana wakho umasti vele they were bad at, they didn't have nice qualities like share or taking care of other people. So mniki isikhundla sokuthi ebhadaleli i-fees ka yamazi uzaqasa ukuba le resentment towards lona umuntu hey mina sebengibhadalisa i-fees zakho, you know what I'm saying? But once again into ekhulunywa nguvuyi, these things come from a need. Sometimes you ungasela option dog. My take on this is this might just be one of those things we have to take on the chin, especially as men of our particular race and our particular generation. There's no choice. We just have to go through this. It's the same thing that happened with the liberation struggle, how all these countries gained independence. They were sitting in some of these, spaces talking about, I can't liberate into but someone had to just lay their life down and do it for the greater advancement of everyone else. What if we start the ball rolling and 3 generations later, like we are passing down generational wealth and black tax gets eliminated from us as a race? You know what I'm saying?
From what we're saying is, if you spend too much of your time black taxing there, it means
it won't,
you have nothing to show for it. And you retire and your kids have to.
And I hear
take care
that,
of you,
but then what's the alternative?
change.
What's the alternative, doc? Because I really feel like, okay.
There's actually no alternative.
Another point.
there is, though.
Okay, all right. Another point I have is also, I feel like running away from Indaba black tax is also losing a bit of our cultural identity. My mom worked for an NGO, and I remember this one time, they are funding money from European countries, and then they have to send back a report, and there was a thread of a complaint. No. Katama families lawa eswa donatela. Why would go malume and lokuzenin? And my mom had to actually go overseas and partake in a workshop there to actually let them know. No, this is African family nucleus, bro. Tina, where we come from, if family is not too babalo mama labantuana kupe. Those people count as part of your family. So lingabonisi bafaka lapha elistini ukuthi this homestead has 2 grandparents. So freeloader. They're not freeloading. That is just the African family nucleus. And because it's set up like that, in preserving our culture, we have to take care of the elderly dog. That's just what it is. I think it sucks. It's one of those things we just have to do.
Because mina Aresan into engicabangayo lo mbuzo embone ngani wonke umuntu lawo yabo ukuthi how do we then navigate yabo ukuthi you're trying to balance situation endlini lawo wena impilo yakho kumele ihambe phambili akufiki anything ekhanda ngaphandle ukuthi oba le mali.
Yeah, that's the only solution. Even for me, I just wish ukuthi even imali like engithola kade maybe if it can be doubled or tripled so that ngihambise ngale lami ngihlale lokho ngisharp, but it never happens like that in most cases. So
when you bazalini la konto hey you always understand this emotion but hey
kulo mntu antshela ukuthi kumele libe analytic, see what you can help to a certain extent.
Kulo mntu antshela wathi wena wathi khula bro kulezi zinto ozicele badaleni osithi maybe enxele ngihambe emashop ukhalele ishebhe
mina vele leni umuntu ungenwa phakathi kwayo masalo ndoda avela nganza akhula wayala
like endlini
efaka icoin
leno ongena ba yabona thina amathoyela ngangezitini ukuthi abe driver esana namfuna lento engage phakathi
come on man
masalo was like no way
like vele osithi oze ube kwazi ukuthi nxa uhamba lo masalo awuceli lutho because once wathi ahle vele athi
unless yena nxa ekuziphi umuntu ethi khangela lapha uyakutshela lesection uthambe duba
so umuntu lona isithi I feel like the same concept should apply git andithi sesi
ngama earner
ansoye ngithengele yonke into efunayo ansoye ngikwanise ukuthengela yonke into efunayo
ngithengele washing machine yeSamsung ngithengele yako khumala leni ekhwehlelayo washing machine don't be a spoiled brat lapha
ngemali ngasoye
awala manzi lapha masalo
unjethi wena sufuna ifortune dog ngiyakuthengele on the fit una le ngana my on the fit
mina ngokukwanisa kwami ngiza kwenzela khona konke ngikukwanisayo
exactly
xa ngingakwanisi angikwanisi
I'm not a failure for that
because I think esinye isimo into edepress abantu kare so ukuthi just because ngiyehlulekile maybe ukuthi ngenzele umzali something I'm a failure angenzanga lutho but bro like wena empilweni yakho great
yazi kushaya ngabo abanye abantwana uzibani usanda kupenda
lami ngambuza ukuthi uthambani uPatrice Motsepe ule Sundowns uyibillionaire anti sengacina ngixojiwe endlini
actually I'm just uPatrice Motsepe uthengela umntana wakhe nge21st Monday
phela la
wena
uthengela
So
and thina vani i-black tax isazostrapha
Yeah.
ngoba abazali bethu abanamampensheni isazostrapha asika indawo.
But
So really, let's just try to make this money, guys. I don't know which way.
please,
but let's
please
try.
join this membership, you motherfuckers.
yeah, we need it. He was asking, is there a solution to
Yeah.
it? And I think you guys have actually touched on it.
Yeah.
It needs to uhlale phansi and ubone ukuthi can I cater for this? For example, you know there's levels to black tax. Like when we talk about needs, bakhona abantu like who live on black tax because akulama groceries or bills need to be paid. Then there's the vast majority, I feel, I could be wrong. The vast majority of abanye abantu outright, hey, semfungu yakha. Abe khulumela mali khona masa.
Hey,
Khulumela ba kala shit.
ama-window frame ami la asezeguga.
Azekho.
Into ezinjengazo, you can
Abo.
do without.
So many ngifaka ama tiles. Yabona.
Faka
But when in your mind as a person that's footing the bill for all this, you've got this vision with, you know what? If I save enough money, I can get a plot. And ngifake inkukhu lapana, ngifake ingulube, whatever it is, or crops, whatever. This is stuff that like we have to our name as a family and can literally like generate more income, right? But the more like imalo ithathayo usiyafaka ama tiles and such in wind, you're taking it away from that vision. Yeah, one. So in situations like that, yeah, mina uthi masaluzwisisa.
Somele ibonisane.
Laba sibonisa. But in situations whereby like abantu laba can literally starve without you. These people can literally go like a day or a week.
Simasela ama-kids endlini.
Ngela makids endlini. You know, and you know that you're in a position to help.
And these are your parents.
Just help, yeah.
I can assure you uNkulunkulu ngendlela esimaziyo ngayo.
Bekuchanga uswazi.
Yeah, and he won't fault you from saying, mntanami vision yakho leyana ngiyayibona. But you know, there's no way that I won't bless you like phambili. Ngenxa ukuthi uthethe imali laphana.
Well, Really, if you're watching this podcast and you're this kind of person who can let your parents or like, you know, people starve when you can cater, I don't
Fuck
think
you,
there's
man.
anything we can say here that can convince you otherwise.
Nah.
You know.
I
You have
was
your own
offended.
brand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you didn't
Well,
I don't know why you're still listening.
Yeah, I was thinking I see your dog. But I
yeah.
cannot say you just grin and take it.
Like you get ilahla bafethu, you get ilahla, and I feel like futhi ama topics kanjani, ama topics esingakhuluma maybe ngcika 5.
Kuze kushone la.
This week I want to sikhuluma ngakho maybe sizahlala ezinye 2 months
Kuyavuka
something.
futhi.
Ugcine sokuyilahlile. So yeah.
And especially if you're in this country, I really think in this country, this is a really difficult position to be in. Because a lot of people, la enhlizweni yakho, akunamuntu ongafuni ukwenzela abazali bakhe kuhle dog.
Awula umuntu ofuna ukwenzela i-girlfriend yakhe.
Eh.
Bro.
Kanti lani libona
Asifuna ulamsa
ngithengela
SK, sifuna ulamsa kwezinye indawo.
siyafuna ukuye eBali la.
But now we have to SK now.
Ezomnotho aliyuboni isimo sombangazwe ukuthi simi njani.
Yeah.
Lisasimamisa inkunzi lina.
But I mean into engiyikhulekelayo for each and everybody who is in this room. Laba sibukele nxa ukuthi maybe nxa isiku-position efana nayo. Ngiyawazi into yayikho practical, but sizama ukuthola abantu aba-understanding bangani bami of ama-situations then, especially ezindlini. Ube le conversation ibuhlungu i-conversation yangikhona because I feel like lapha niyabusuzi-expose
Yeah, la ukuthi
ukuthi like boza kunye so
And
ngiyala phansi
mina-
yabo.
But ungabona uyangeke utshela uchero wakho ukuthi
Ayisuye.
endlini bacheba ngengqweqwe then asochero wakho.
and
Sure,
mina we
Alethukile.
also mention izinto ezinjenge i-racial divide lesimo se-economy so that if you're going to take something away from this, also understand that being in your position doesn't mean you have failed.
Yeah.
There's a lot of things that failed us before, you know, we got the economy. For
Yeah,
instance.
i-game level esabe sayiqalisa besilida.
It-rigged. Yeah, so it's okay, doc.
Sabe
To sit there and say, doc, into sihambi. And most of that is not a reflection on ukuthi wena uyisi-particulars. It's not it, doc. Into zithi. Yazi kule episode I preach a lot on self-introspection, and I always feel like most of these things always circle back to. If you can sit down and self-introspect very honestly, you'll get a lot of things done.
Yeah.
Singamosha episode sikhuluma amanyala.
Amanyala.
But befuna ixoxela ezinye istories singakavayi. Since sembonke ngani. Bawula speak.
LED.
Befuna
Email message.
indoda awuva.
Na ndoda qhubeka
Yebo.
ndoda story.
Alright, sharp. Istory sami sithi. So, ngiro mntaka Budas oyinkazana. I'm sure Breezy yakumbona. Yabo? So, umntaka Budas ulande abazali, yabo? wathi sefuna uba influencer
abazali or
abazali
ogogo,
bakhe
okay.
no like abazali bakhe iBuddhas lo my sister abalantu wathi sefuna uba influencer yabo usmart sibili umntwana like ukrutile so sifika sibabuza ukuthi Masara like ibizwe ngalisebenzisa
Kuyi-influencer.
eliphi yabo uMasara athi ngizakhuluma nomdala then sikhuluma ukuthi afa yabo then ukuthi sokuntambama lapha sibelele like eroomini abalanda abaqoqote ngena futhi sembuyile ngendawo la ngitshele ngathi ngifuna influencer senze njani bani bathi ay karufuna sithini ufuna uku-actor ufuna ukwenzani ngicozizwa kahle sithi yazini never mind ngizabuza umgcini
asivalele lishow.
Athi yazina never mind I'll ask uncle mgcini don't nina ngiyaliyazi
Abantu umntana umtshela ukuthi ngale
love and light happy birthday
Love and lightning.
Tumelu Ralph imali
Shout out. Call
Tumelu
me,
Ralph
FaceTime me.
Yeah.
I'll be there. Talk to me even if you
Don't
don't have
forget to-
money.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Yeah.
Boom, boom.
Asizomafela thina la siblind. This is our imali.
Yeah, we're gonna be
Money
cheap,
is-
bro.
man dash.
ikwere
Kwede Mantashi.
You